Hello, once again to part. Well, I guess, yeah, this is part 32 now of building a Yippee mobile game. Yes, this is going good. Yeah, right now we're in the process of getting rid of some bugs. Yeah, we've got a bug vacuum cleaner, and we're gonna suck all the bugs in and get rid of them. Yeah, so we'll make our Yippee mobile game nice and clean, nice and bug free. Yeah, so that's what we've been doing. Yeah, in the last stream we fixed a couple bugs with like shooting of the player projectiles. Yeah, now we can like turn and shoot in the game. So that's cool in case any enemy yippies kind of come up on our back and startle us. We can turn and fire some arrows or lasers in their general direction. Yes, we have more self-defense capabilities now. Yeah, we're gonna fix some more bugs this stream, so that should be pretty good. But yeah, without further ado, let's jump into part 32. Yeah. Should be pretty good. Should be pretty nice, I think. Yeah, so let me kind of show what that was yesterday. So normally before, like here's the game. You can like shoot in all these directions, right? But before last stream, when we shot to the left, it was like not shooting in the right place, and it wasn't turning. But now we've got like this action going, where we're like turning when we're shooting, and we don't even have to press the arrows, because that's normally how you turn. You press these little arrows here. But now, depending on where you're tapping on the screen, where you're shooting, it'll shoot and turn in that direction. Yeah, so that should be pretty good. Yeah, even little Yippee here is all happy about that. Yeah, so that's pretty nice. Yeah. So the next bug I was thinking on fixing was there's a bug right now. I guess that's one bug. When you like spam the arrows, like sometimes the enemies, whatchamacallit, they become invincible. That was one, but another one that I wanted to fix was when the enemies shoot at us with their projectiles, it freezes the game when it hits like our melee weapon, like the bat. See how the rock touches the bat and it like freezes? Yeah, that has to do because of some collision bug. But I thought about how to fix that, and I have an interesting solution which I think might work. Yeah, basically that's happening because the rock is like constantly in contact with the bat, which causes like hundreds of collisions like within a couple frames. So the way to fix it would be to like basically take away the hitbox on the bat unless we're swinging, right? I think that would be a good way to fix that, right? So like we should only have a hitbox for the weapon here if we're in the swinging animation. Otherwise, we just have no hitbox. So when the rock hits the bat and we're not swinging, there shouldn't even be any collisions detected. Yeah, see that like print down here? Oh, that's actually the enemy projectile blocked. Right, because then right now I have it so that you can delete the projectiles that the enemies fire at you when you swing your weapon. So you can like swing your weapon and block like one of these projectiles. Yeah, but yeah, we want it so that it doesn't like freeze when those rocks hit us. So yeah, we'll be doing the thing. It should be pretty good. Yeah. Although yeah, these guys become invulnerable after a bit, so yeah, you gotta like chase him down and get him. Yeah, let's see if we can get this guy. I think I actually crashed my preview. Yeah, see it's not a fun bug because yeah, look at that. Like the game was still going, but we were frozen, so we just lost. R.I.P. Yeah. Oh yeah. Also another bug. See, when I restarted the game, the Yippie's in his walking animation. Ideally, he shouldn't be in this animation because when you start the game, or yeah, when you start the game, it's typically like this. Yeah. But yeah, we'll be fixing a couple things. Yeah, we'll be fixing like that bat being frozen when it touches one of the rocks. Yeah. So we've got a couple of bugs to fix, like this one. Yeah, we'll suck up this bug in the vacuum cleaner. Yeah, so that the rock hits the bat and it like freezes. Yeah, but I've got a strategy for that. So we'll get it under wraps. Yeah, that'll be pretty good. That'll be pretty good, I think. But yeah, let's make it so that like the bat here doesn't have any hitbox unless we're swinging. Yeah, that would be the best way to do it. Game breaking bat. Yeah. Also, welcome Dolphinbird. Yeah, we've got some bugs we gotta fix. Yeah. Although we're closing in on finishing up this app. Just a couple of bugs and then some more iPad stuff. And then also we need to do Game Center for the leaderboard. Yeah, because right now the leaderboard just shows like this kind of static data. But we're gonna have it so like you can sign into Game Center and save your personal scores and things. Yeah, and like see other people's scores. That would be cool. Yeah, we got a couple things going. Still to go. But yeah, definitely we're gonna be doing some bug fixing this stream. Yeah, because yeah, right now the game breaking Batman that is like freezing it up. Yeah. Yeah, well, let's fix some things. That should be pretty good. Yeah. So, yeah, let's also get these guys out of the way, just in case they start shooting us while we're debugging. Yeah, that'll be pretty good. But yeah, let's do it. Let's get into this, shall we? I think so. Yeah. So here's my strategy for this. I'm gonna basically make it so like the hitbox for the weapon gets like removed after you do your little swing animation. Yeah. So it's like only added while you're swinging. So I think that's probably a decent strategy to go about it. Yeah. So let's do this. We have like a create weapon here somewhere. Create player weapon, I think it is. Yeah. And we'll make it so that like we don't have a hitbox on the melee weapon until we're swinging. Yeah, because that should fix like that weird bug that we had. Yeah, I think so. Yeah, how about that? So I think we can probably just like remove this from here, or at least like this part from here. This is what's controlling like the hitbox. Yeah. So kind of just like, I guess, comment it out in case it doesn't work. Yeah. And then I think, do we have anything else setting hitbox stuff? Let's see. Player melee weapon dot melee weapon hitbox and physics body. Oh yeah, we have this. Oh, interesting. We never even uncommented this. Wait a minute. Oh, wait. Wait, that's interesting. Wait, that is... Wait, I actually gotta see that, because I don't know what it's using for the hitbox then. Wait, I never uncommented this. Oh, that's... Wait, now I'm gonna turn on hitboxes and see. Yeah, let's take a look at this. See if we got the hitbox here. Yeah, I can see it. There's like a blue outline around the bat. So wherever it's getting that hitbox, it's like, it's coming through. It is coming through. Yeah. So that's a thing that's happening. Yeah. I think I must be setting it somewhere else then. Let's see. Oh yeah, it's here. Here's where I'm setting this. Okay, that's why I had this commented out. Yes, I can actually remove this. But yeah, here's the thing. I don't want to have this code in here. Like, at least this part. This hitbox stuff. here. Yeah. So we're gonna copy this over to the other thing. Yeah, that should be pretty good. Yeah, maybe I should make a function for this, like create melee weapon hitbox. Create player melee weapon hitbox. Yeah, I think so. So then we'll just copy over that code that we had into here. Oh yeah, we also need this. Let melee weapon power equal the thing. Yeah. So that should be all right. And yeah. I'll put you in there. And then we'll just copy this over. Yeah, that should be pretty nice. I think so. So we don't get a bat that kind of freezes our game. That would be unfortunate. Yeah, now we can like uncomment this. And we don't need this actually. Cool. So now there should be like null. Unless we're swinging our bat. Which happens on touches began, right? When we're swinging, then we run this animation. Yeah, so in here we want to say this, create melee weapon hitbox. And then when we're done swinging, we want to say player.melee weapon hitbox equals nil. Right? So that's basically like we're swinging, we can create the hitbox, and then when we're done swinging, we set the hitbox to empty, like there's no more hitbox. Yeah, how about that? Let's see. Let's see if that has the desired effect. First things first, we can check this in here. Like, see, the bat doesn't have a hitbox right now. When I swing... Oh. Uh-oh. That's no good. Uh-oh, a most unexpected outcome. Let's see what's going on then. We'll run this in our simulator. Because that tells us what line of code it's crashing on. But we've got a crash here. We've got a crash. That's no good. That's no good. But yeah, let's run this on our trusty old iPhone 14 Plus simulator. Here we go. Here's our little simulator. All nice and dandy. And now let's see. Oh yeah, and this is also... Okay, yeah. So yeah, that crashed. Oh, I see. I see where it's crashed. Take a look at this. Unexpectedly found nil while unwrapping an optional value. I see. So we never created the hitbox. Or I think one of these is nil. It has to be this one, melee weapon hitbox. I see. I wonder then. I guess that's not being created. Let's see, where could this happen? We'll go back to our create melee weapon. The player's melee weapon. Yes, we didn't do this. And it went to like null here. Interesting. So the hitbox hasn't been created yet, like this object. Yeah, when is this created actually? Player melee weapon hitbox let's think. So ideally they should already be made. Unless it should be created under the this player Yippee here, I think. Under like weapon, perhaps? Yeah, melee weapon hitbox. If it's melee, do the thing. Alright. Yeah. So yep. That's where this is made. So that kind of checks out. Like it's made whenever we're creating a weapon object, which is happening, I believe, when we're making the player. Like the player, yeah, here's where that weapon is being created. Alright. So that's happening. Yeah, let's investigate a little bit. We'll do a little bit of printing, just to be sure. As we do. Created a weapon. We'll say that. And then we'll also print some stuff over in our other thing when we're swinging. So over here, we'll do a little bit of printing to do a little bit of investigating as we do. Yeah. So here we go. We'll say this. Oh wait, I think I have an idea what could be happening. But we'll print just to be sure. I have a feeling this is getting set to nil. And then this isn't recreating the object. Yeah. Yeah, actually, oh wait, then I know how to fix it actually. There, that should fix it. That should fix it, okay. Yeah, maybe we don't need to print after all. I thought about it a little bit more. But we'll test again in our simulator to be sure. I think we're back. I think so. Wait, let me refresh. Okay, yeah, I think we're back. Yeah, oh my goodness. Okay. Yeah, what happened there? So my internet swapped. Like it swapped from, yeah, my bad. Yeah, sorry for the pings, but yeah, we went out for a little bit and we came back. But we're back. Yeah, the interweb did the thing where it like swapped networks and the other network was bad. Yeah, but we're on the good one now, so yeah, false alarm, but yes, we back. We doing the good thing now. But yeah, where were we? Yeah, so we were fixing this thing where like the hitbox on the sword was like doing some weird bug collision thing with the enemy projectiles, but I think we fixed it. And we can test this in our other thing over here. Yeah, in our preview. We can test the thing. Yeah, because we have the little bats that was kind of breaking it. But yeah, let's do this. So if we, oh yeah, see? Now it's not like freezing when we get hit by a rock. But if I swing, let's see. Oh, it kind of froze a little bit. Yeah, it freezes ever so slightly, I noticed. Okay. So it's kind of semi-fixed, I guess. Yeah, like, when I swing it, like, it still kind of freezes a little bit. Oh, we got it so that it doesn't, like, freeze when we get hit. So that's good. Yeah, let's try. I have an idea on how to fix the other thing, though. I have an idea. And that's to, like, move some stuff up in our did begin contact thing. Yeah. So, in here, here's what we'll do. Here's the thing that we'll do. We've got some stuff down here for, yeah. It's basically like one of these things here controls the collisions between like our weapon and one of the enemy's projectiles. So like basically like our bats or their like rock that they're shooting at us. We've got some collision handling of the things in here. Yeah, let's investigate and see. Yeah, this function's quite large. Let me see. So we've got melee, weapon. I think I put some categories up here for this. Yeah, player melee weapon category. I'll take a look at where this is in that function. Let's see. Let us see. Unless we're not handling this. Ooh, that would be unexpected. Wait a second. Wait a gosh darn moment. We might be not handling this. Oh, that would be most unexpected. Wait, let's see. Let's do a little bit of further investigating. We'll go through the call stack. So we've got touches began, and then we want to call this thing. And so this is setting player melee weapon category. Yeah, and then we've got like enemy rock category. So where are we handling these collisions? We've got them over here. Yeah. And so, oh, wait, I think it's here. Yeah, this is like enemy projectile blocked by player. So like if the player is melee attacking, and, okay, I see this. I see what's happening here. So it's like if the player is melee attacking, and the node is the player's melee hitbox. Oh, wait a minute. I think... hold on just a second. Wait just a second. I think there might be some bugs in here. Yeah, I think so. It's like if the player's melee attacking, and the node is this thing. Yeah, so if we're attacking, and this is our melee weapon, and we haven't hit a Yippee yet, we hit the Yippee, but then we've got this code here, which is like, if let enemy projectile dot first equal the thing. Wait a minute. I don't know. I don't know about that. This code doesn't look right. Yeah, I don't think this is right. I don't think this is handling the right collisions. Yeah. So this is like... well, actually, it might be. It might be. So this is always going to get called if we're melee attacking. And then, like, we could either be hitting the enemy directly, or we could be hitting what they're firing at us. This is like the latter case. So, in that case, we should remove the thing, which I think is happening. Yeah, so I think this is right. So then, yeah, I was just surprised not to see like this code, player melee weapon category, because we can do this. We can update this to be like, if node A, yeah, this is a weird way to write this code. Yeah, we'll refactor this a little bit, because, yeah, that's a bit, yeah, I'm not too sure about that one. Yeah. Well, we'll say this. We'll rewrite this code a little bit. I'll say let's player melee weapon hitbox equal, and then we'll kind of follow this pattern here. Yeah. Or it's basically like if the first or the second thing that collided was this category that was like player melee weapon category, then do the thing. Yeah. So now if this should like handle this case, but like in a more elegant manner, I think. Yeah, so we can just like take this out, and plop it in here, and then, yeah, I think we still need this condition, like player is melee attacking, so we probably need to put that in here. Yeah, like if player is melee attacking, we'll do the thing. Yeah, I think so. I think so. Yeah. Although we kind of want to short circuit this, I think. It's like if player is melee attacking and yeah, I guess, yeah, what's a good way to write this condition? A comma here? Oh, okay. Yeah, Swift has like weird syntax where you can like do commas and this stuff. Yeah, here we go. I forgot this. Yeah, there we go. We've got like this if condition. So it's like if we're currently attacking and like whatever's colliding with us is our hitbox, like our weapon's hitbox, then we can do some things. Yeah. I don't know if I actually ever used this variable though. It's giving me a warning here. I think, is this an if statement then? Like if players melee attacking, let's see. Maybe I can write this differently. And, node A dot first, as SFK sprite node. I see. How about node A dot first dot, can I do this? Can I say like dot physics body dot category bit mask equals this, like collider types dot. I think so. I think I can do this. That's a big condition, but I think it gets the job done. Yeah, I think that'll get her done. Yeah, let's see then. And then also the other thing I wanted to do was move this to the top, up here, so that it like handles the thing faster. Yeah, and then we'll also put like a print in here, like player is melee attacking and a collision happened with the melee weapon. Yeah, let's see. Let's see, after all these code changes, let's see what goes on. If perhaps the thing might fix or not. Let's see. Oh, we'll see. So that's still fine. And now if we swing... Oh, okay, it's still like... I think this is because the shape of the bat, it's like... yeah, or let's see what's printing, actually. So, yeah, we've got this constantly printing, like player is melee attacking and projectile blocked by player. It's printing like a buttload of times, right? So we want to like remove the thing like fast enough to where it doesn't print like multiple times. Yeah. I think so. Yeah, let's see if I can remove the thing then. Yeah. Actually, you know what? I'll make a separate if condition for this to just check for the rock category, like kind of like this, like these things here. Like we'll check the thing that's being hit at us. Yeah. And we'll remove it. Yeah, because I feel like the main thing is like it's not removing fast enough. That's the thing. Like ideally it should say like enemy projectile blocked by player, and that should like stop it from printing anymore. Yeah. Ideally such case should occur. But let's think then. I think it's because like this has to run first. If not, did hit Yippee. Did hit Yippie's true. Yeah, is this for like the enemy? Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Hold on a second. I might be misinterpreting this. It hit Yippee. This becomes false. Okay, so that's when we're swinging. If not, okay. So if this is false, make this true, and set it back to false once we're done swinging. Okay, yeah. So this is for like hitting an enemy. Yeah. Okay. Okay. I have a feeling I should like separate this logic. Like I have this if statement and I have like both of this stuff in here. I kind of want to like take this out. I think that might help a little bit. Yeah. I'm gonna make another thing. Yeah. Yeah, here's what we'll do. Yeah. Yeah, we'll like do this thing. We'll do this thing. And we'll see. Let's take a little gander. We'll take a little gander and see if this is good. Yeah, so if we're attacking and the thing is the weapon, or should I be checking the enemy projectile, perhaps? Perhaps. I could be checking that. Yeah, kind of like how I'm doing down here. Like, if the thing is the rock or the other thing. Yeah. Yeah. So like basically like swapping this and this. Interesting. Interesting. I suppose we could do something like that. Yeah. So like yeah, I guess so. Although we'll need a reference to this. Yeah. Here's my idea. I'm gonna reorder some things. Yeah, so then if let enemy projectile equal... Oh, wait, just one moment. We need to check this first. Yeah. We need to check the enemy projectile category. Yeah. So we've got like enemy arrow thing. Yes, this thing. Indeed. I believe so. Also, I just noticed some flawed logic here. Yeah, we've got like... This is checking if the bat hit us or the arrow hit us. And it's like... doing this logic. Oh. Wait, we've got some weird stuff going on. Oh my, indeed. Okay. I don't know if that was intended. Wait, where am I calling this? Where am I calling this? Hold on a moment. We've got some hidden bugs that we might have just stumbled upon. We must vacuum all these bugs. Indeed. Yeah, here's what I think is happening here. I think it's applying the wrong damage on stuff. Yeah, like this code here. Like, are we ever doing, like, melee? Yeah. Yeah, here we go. We've got this. Enemy bat. Oh, yeah, I copy-pasted wrong. I just noticed, okay. Yeah, this should be enemy arrow. And this should be laser beam. And then... Okay, this was actually already good. Yeah, there's a copy-paste bug here. Okay, I fixed that. Yeah, when you've got like almost 2,000 lines of code, yeah, you've got to keep an eye out for weird things in the code. lest you get some weird bugs. Yeah, but that should be fixed, so that's good. Yeah, back to the other thing we were fixing. That was like the whole, when we're swinging our bat, it like freezes the game when it hits the rock. Yeah, so we want to like delete the rock like instantly when it touches our bat. That way there's no more collisions that happen. Yeah. That should fix that. Yeah, so how about we do some checks then. We do a couple of checks. So basically the checks that we have here, we can replicate above. Yeah, let's see. So what is this? If node A is player, Yippee node, or node B. Okay. Yeah, so we'll want this for like our weapon. Yeah, I think so. So we'll have like this code, right? And then we'll just like do the thing for our weapons. Yeah. So yeah, if the player was melee attacking, yeah, we basically need to combine these if statements. Like this one, and this one, and this one, like, and this one. We need to combine. Let's see, how do we want to do this? So, if player is melee attacking, and either node A or node B was the melee category, and then we'll do some ORs. Yeah, this will be a pretty ginormous statement. A big if statement. I think so. But I think it'll work. Let's see. So we'll say enemy rock category. Well, actually, yeah, we can use this. We can kind of use this. That'll make it a bit smaller. Yeah, so like this. Yeah, node A, node B first, where the thing, actually, I don't know if we can use that. I'm not so sure. I am not so certain of such things. We might have to copy this thing down here, or like up here. Maybe. We can make it a little better though. A little bit. Yeah. So if melee attacking and this, or this, or rather, and then we do a bunch of ORs of this and this. And then, oh my gosh, this is kind of hard to look at. Okay, let's see if we can suss this out. This is a sussy conditional logic here. Yeah, let's see if we can like get them all on their own line, because this is a little unwieldy. Yeah, let's see. So we've got the player's melee attacking, and something has hit our weapon, like our sword or our bat. And then what is the thing to hit our bat? It has to be like one of the enemy's projectiles, like the rock or the laser or the other thing. Yeah. That's what's gotta happen. Yeah. So we'll do this. We'll say enemy rock category here. Yeah. And then we'll have here enemy arrow category. Yes. And then we'll have the laser category. Yeah, because the enemies can have like 3 different types of weapons. They can have like the laser, the rock, or the arrow that they shoot at us. Yeah. So we'll say this, like enemy projectile hit by a player melee weapon. Yeah, I think so. Actually not so sure if we even need this because we have the whole hitbox deletion stuff happening. Yeah. So we don't need this actually. Because that was just for like copy pasting stuff. Yeah, and then this is okay. Yeah, what is this? Players melee attacking and something happened with the melee weapon. Oh, right. So player melee weapon category. Wait a minute. Wait just a second. So this is like players melee attacking and then something hit our weapon. Oh, but then that has to be the Yippee. Okay. Yeah, I think this is still fine. Yeah, I think so. I think we're good. I think we are okay. So, yeah, and a collision happened with the melee weapon. And this is meant to be for our weapon hitting enemy. Yeah. So ideally this should imprint after this happens. Yeah. Let's see. That's a lot of changing of things. Also, I don't know why it like creates weapons so many times. That seems interesting. Yeah, we'll get rid of this guy. Yes, this is like when we hit an enemy, then we print this. But if we hit one of these rocks here, let's see what happens. Oh, wait, did that? Oh yeah, you see it's printing a bunch still. Like players melee attacking and a collision happened with the... Wait a minute. Let me get rid of this again. Hold on. Enemy projectile hit by player melee weapon. Enemy projectile blocked by player. And then this printed. Oh. Interesting. Wait a minute. Wait a second. I have a feeling I might know what's happening. Wait. So what if I... Okay, I think... Because ideally this should not print. Like I should just print like these two and be done. But I have a feeling I might know what's happening. Yeah. Maybe this isn't actually deleting the thing. That would be very sus. That would be like a very sus imposter thing to happen. Yeah. So here's what we've got. We've got enemy projectile hit by player melee weapon. And then blocked by player. And then this. Yeah, that is... Interesting. Okay. Let's think then. Maybe I need to do like node... Let's see. So this is enemy projectile node first. Where this thing? That seems odd that it's not removing. I mean, it is removing though. That's the thing. Also, yeah, this is weird. Let's see. So, we'll get past these little guys, and we'll test this again. Yes, I swing, and then it's colliding a bunch with all the rocks here. Yeah, it's still... Oh my goodness. Yeah, that is something. Let's see. Yeah, see how much it like printed? That's why it was freezing. It's like whenever the bat hits the rock, it's like hitting it like 100 times or something. Like it should only hit it like once. Let's think. So ideally this shouldn't get cold. So I think something weird is going on. Indeed, something most sinister even. I might even add that. Yeah, something most intriguing indeed. Let us see. Let's see. Actually, you know what? Sometimes when I get too stuck, I'll just take this code and I'll plop it into the chat GPTs. Let's see. Maybe they have an extra set of wisdom. Let's see. We shall see. Let's see. So, multiple collisions happening with what is it? Like we've got this happening for the whatchamacallit. It's like the enemy projectile. Multiple collisions. Yeah. Let's see. Why is there multiple collisions happening with the melee weapon and the enemy projectile if the enemy projectile is removed upon collision? And here is the code. Yeah. Let me show what I'm typing into the chat GPTs. Oh wait, actually this is on my other browser. Yeah, let's see. I'll show this. I'll pull this one up, Jamie. Yeah, we'll pull that one up as we do. Here we go. Yeah, this is what I'll see. So let's see what they say, because I'm not quite so sure. Let's see. Multiple collisions might be happening with the melee weapon and the enemy projectile for several reasons. Physics bodies lingering. Oh, collision logic not handling removal property. Timing issues. Okay, these are all valid. When this is removed, it might still be lingering in the scene momentarily. That's what I'm thinking. So how do I ensure this? How do I do this? Collision delegate method not handling removal. What? Okay. Physics world step and timing issues. The physics world processes collisions in discrete steps. If the removal is not synchronized... Okay. And then they give us this code. Handle projectile collision between the two nodes is... Oh my gosh. They wrote like 4 functions for this. Oh wow, that's kind of extra. I mean, okay, I'll try this and see what happens. Because I feel like their logic is kind of similar to what I'm thinking, but I don't think that needs like 4 functions. That's kind of... That's a lot. But yeah, we'll see. We'll see if Mr. John GPT is able to diagnose our bug. It's gonna become like a bug entomologist. He's gonna diagnose what our bug is in the code. Yeah. Let's see. So, yeah, we'll copy over the code, and then I guess we do this. We comment out this, and we use the functions they made. So it was like what? Handle enemy hit. Handle projectile collision. So enemy projectile hit by melee weapon. Oh, I might have copied too much. Check for player, melee weapon, and enemy collision. Oh, so this is handling this as well. Okay, handle enemy hit. Where is this? Damage enemy. Oh, now I see why they made so many functions. I copied too much code. But yeah, okay, let's see. Let's see then if it handles both of those things. We shall see. Mr. John GPT. I'm using the free version though, so it might be, because this is like, I don't know. Well, this is SpriteKit, so it's an older framework, so the AI might be up to date. Okay, let's see. Oh no, it's still freezing. Ew. Wait, yeah, this is the same behavior as before. Okay. That kind of just like... I don't think that helped. Yeah, we'll undo then. We'll undo this change. Yeah. Looks like Mr. John ChatGPT kind of gave us the same results. Yeah, I think what they did was just cleaned up our code, because we've got quite the noodles in the code. Well, let's see then. I'm gonna ask ChatGPT. This didn't fix it. So what's an alternative? This didn't fix what is an alternative, Mr. John ChatGPT? Let's see. Let me bring it up. We'll bring up the old AI again. Yeah, I'm so glad for ChatGPT though. Sometimes it doesn't hit, but sometimes it's pretty helpful. Let's see. Yeah, if the issue persists, we can consider alternative approaches to ensure proper collision handling. Yeah. Oh, welcome, King Goody. Could you make a Boolean property that will cease executing the repeated code if collision equals true? Actually, that's not a bad idea. I suppose so. I could try that. Wait, actually, what you just mentioned is what ChatGPT is actually proposing. I think so. They're saying like has collided here. Oh yeah, I think... wow, okay. Looks like there's this same suggestion in two different places. Okay. Yeah, I think that's a good idea, King Goody. I think that'll help. Yeah, because like... I think that's what's happening. It's like... It's calling this like multiple times. Yeah, so if we had like a boolean, an extra boolean here that like got set to like true in here, then that would help, I think. Yeah. Although we would need it on the projectile itself, kind of like how they mentioned in here. But it's the same logic that you're mentioning. It's like we have this on the projectile. Like for each projectile, we have this boolean here, and then if that projectile gets hit, then we set that boolean to false or whatever, or to true rather. Yeah, that's a good idea. I didn't think of that. Yeah, thanks. I appreciate that. But yeah, we'll do that. So over in our, I think, I don't know if this is like, am I using user data for this? I might be. So let's see, where am I creating the enemy projectiles? So I think, let's see, it might just be a generic SK physics body. Yeah, I think so. I think it is. Or like a sprite node. Yeah, so we'll need to put this on like user data or something. Yeah, actually, that's what ChatGPT is also suggesting. Yeah, they're putting this on user data here. Yeah, so they're setting this like has collided user data value. Yeah, so basically like these rocks, they're SK sprite nodes. And in order for us to put like data on them, like some kind of flag, whether they've collided with something or not, we have to use this like user data dictionary. Yeah, so all the SK sprite nodes have this user data dictionary, and we can use them to like put little flags on them, like, oh, this rock has hit something. Yeah, so we'll use this. And yeah, I think that should be pretty good. And we can check the flag. Although I don't know why they have this extra projectile thing. I don't think this is necessary. Like projectile SK sprite node, that's kind of extra. But yeah, that should be pretty good. That should be pretty good. Yeah, so let's see how we can kind of adapt our code to modify to kind of fit this. So we've got this is melee attacking stuff. ChatGPT is extra sometimes. Yeah, it's a little verbose in the code sense. Yeah, it's like you're making a class just to, like a subclass just to add one variable. I don't know about that. That seems a little extra. Yeah, that's a bit like, you know, you've got the nail and you're using like a hydraulic press to push it in. That's a bit much. That's a little much, I will say. Yeah. But we've got the general strategy though, so that's good. That's good. Yeah, we'll just see. I don't know. Their code is much cleaner than mine, so I kind of want to copy some of it. But yeah, I don't know if I'll have to like do something like this. I don't think so. Yeah, I'm gonna just use this user data stuff here, and we'll see how we can modify our code like that. Yeah, because I don't think I need like separate functions for each like type of collision, so I think I can probably get away with like putting it all in that one did begin contact. Yeah, because they're making like functions for like everything, and I'm like, I don't know. That is extra. That is definitely extra. Yeah. So let's see. Let's do the thing. Let's do that thing. Yeah, so we'll say like, basically in the if statement that we had under did begin contact, we'll want to pull that value like here, I think. Yeah, basically like if we've collided, well actually, because they also have like the player is melee attacking here and here, and they combined it under one if statement. I kind of want to do that. I think I had that before, but it was like, I thought that was causing a bug, but yeah, let's actually see. Let's see. I'm gonna copy the code ChatGPT had, but like modify it in such a way that we don't need to like make separate functions. Yeah, it's like if player is melee attacking, if node A category bit mask is the player melee weapon category, and is enemy projectile node B or node A. Okay, I see what they're doing here. And then they're also doing the thing with the whatchamacallit, the user data stuff. Actually, first thing, I think I'll just copy what they have, but then like refactor it afterwards, at least to see, because I think the general strategy is good. Yeah, so like we'll probably just pull this into this function, but keep it as a separate function just for testing. Yeah, so this is the thing I don't need, like has collided, the whole extra class for the one variable. I'm like, ugh. Yeah, we don't need this. So we'll say this, if let enemy projectile equal the thing as sk sprite node. Yeah. And then instead of this, we need the user data code that they had. So where was that? Where was that user data code? Yeah, that should be in here. Oh yeah, I didn't copy this. Yeah, they had another function for the user data stuff. Here. Yeah. So that's this. Wait, they've got two functions with the same name. Yeah, that's kind of what I figured, like... Yeah, this is extra, this one here. So we don't need that. Yeah, I think that should be good. I think so. Yeah, so if this is true, set user data equals the thing to be true. Wait a minute. Oh yeah, this returns early if this is true. Yeah, okay, so that would stop it. Oh, and then they're also removing the physics body and then removing the thing. I see. Yeah. Okay. I think that works out. Yeah, so they're using this as like the toggle. And they're like breaking early if it's true. Yeah, so handle projectile collision. That's here. So it would break if that was true. Yeah, let's see. We shall see if the boolean does the thing. I think so. And they also did like something with like removing the physics body as well, which I think is like an extra layer of security. Yeah. Let's see. So if we hit the rock, Oh wait, no, it's still... Uh-oh. Wait a minute. Hold on. Uh-oh. Wait, this is... Okay. Yeah, I think it's like... I think it... I don't know. It froze the first time, but the other times it seems... alright. Let's see. Let's see. Let's do some printing and see. Come on, AI, show us your usefulness. Yeah. Yeah, true. For all this talk about AI replacing people, it's gotta be 100%. It's gotta be, you know, it's gotta do the thing. It's gotta do the thing. Well, let's see. So, okay, yeah, it looks like it is deleting the thing when it hits. So this is only printing once, which is good. So that's expected. Yeah, let's see then. Let's take out this print statement and see if this only prints like once every time we hit one of the rocks. Yeah. That's kind of what I'm feeling. Yeah. Let's see. So, if I hit this... Okay, yeah, it's only printing once. So that's good. Yeah. So that's only printing once. So that's expected. Although I have a weird feeling I know what else could be causing this. Like, when I start the game, it printed create weapon a bunch. Yeah, see that? Like, maybe what's happening is it's like there's like 8 weapons here or something, and it's like colliding with all of them. That would be weird. But I don't know why would it like create this weapon so many times. That could also be what's happening. Because like, now that we know that it's only printing like once every time it hits one of the rocks, like that should be taken care of. Like that fixes that. But then I think it's like hitting multiple weapons at once or something. Let's see. Where am I calling this? Created weapon. Oh, it must be in here somewhere. Yeah, created weapon here. Okay, good thing I put this print here, because I feel like it's making this weapon node a bunch. Yeah, I feel like that could be happening. Let's see. So let's maybe... yeah, let's try and see where this is being called. So I think this gets called here. When I make this player Yippee, it makes the melee weapon. Yeah, so what if this is getting created a bunch? This player Yippee. That would be surprising. Let me I'll put an init in here. And see. Does it print every time an enemy spawns? I think it would, Kingery, but I don't think, at least at the beginning, I don't think the enemies spawn until like you cross like halfway across the screen. It's like the way I have it set up in the code right now, is like every time you traverse like I think like half the screen's distance. So like once I get into the middle of the screen here, then it spawns the enemies. Like it'll spawn some. Yeah, like I guess like right there it created one. Yeah, it printed this for like the little stick dude at the top. Yeah, so I don't think it was that. Although I noticed this time it only printed this once. Yeah, it does print every time an enemy spawns, like a melee enemy. But yeah. Why is it only printing once? That's right. Yeah, like this is one of those kind of bugs. So it's like it's the Heisen bug. It's like it prints once sometimes, and not other times. Ugh. It's one of those gross bugs. Yeah, let's try and replicate it. Yeah, because that's one of the most sinister bugs. Yeah, see on like iPad it prints like a bunch. So it's like it only happens sometimes. Let's try this again. Yeah, now it printed a bunch of times. Yeah, that's weird. That's weird. I'm gonna see if I can like, cause like that, this only prints when the weapon is created, which is like, yeah, it prints when the weapon gets created here, which is happening in here. Like we're creating it when we create the player. Yeah. I think we're creating this whenever an enemy spawns, but I think it's happening when the player is created. Let's see if I can like print something here. Yeah, I don't know. I'm not sure. Can I do like, let's see if I can print where this player is being created. This player Yippee. Let's see. It's being created up here. Player Yippee. Wait, this is created whenever the game scene is created. Oh, wait, is this game being created like multiple times? Oh, that would be weird. That would be weird. Wait, let me put an init in the actual game scene. Like maybe here. Like print. Created game or something. Oh my, that would be quite a bigger bug. That would be more than I anticipated. Yeah. Oh yeah, look at that. It's like making the game multiple times. Oh my gosh. Wait, that is wild. Wait a minute. Wait, are there like... Wait, there could be like multiple instances of the game. And I'm only seeing one. Oh my gosh. Wait a minute. That is wild. Wait. Wait, let me see. I want to test this if it's happening in the simulator. Maybe it's just a preview thing. But that is very unexpected. Oh my goodness. Yeah, that would explain the freezing. Yeah, wouldn't it? Oh my gosh. That's wild. That is wild. Yeah, let's see. Let's see. I'm gonna run this in my iPhone 14 simulator and see if we get the same prints. Yeah, no, this time it only created once. Wait, but that could just be like the thing where it happens some of the time. Let's try this again. Let's try and like break it. Let's try and break it. Okay, that time the same thing happened. Let's do it again. I'm gonna like brute force try and break it. Okay, it seems it's all right. Maybe it's just a preview thing. Let's see if I test in the simulator. Oh yeah. Oh, in the simulator it's fine. Oh. Okay, cool. Wait, this is good. Okay. Okay, wait, this is good. This is good. So it's just a preview thing. I think so. I think so. Oh, let's try again. Let's try and get some more things. Yeah, so we can like block the projectiles with our weapon here. Running smooth too. Yeah. Although there was one final mega boss bug that I wanted to fix. And that's if you go really far in the game. Like if you go really far to the right. I think I'm not handling like deleting of things properly, but it'll eventually create so many nodes it'll freeze. Let's see if I can try and recreate that, because that was like the main bug that I was worried about. Yeah, like the farther right you go, like the more things spawn, right? Like the more tiles there are, the more enemies, the more, you know? And I think at some point it eventually gets too much and it freezes. Yeah, so let me try and recreate that. I don't know if that bug fixes because of this. Well, let me see. I'll have to go really far in the game to check this. So I basically need to give myself invincibility so I don't die early. Yeah, let's take away our hitbox or something. Or some collision handling stuff. How can we give ourselves invulnerability? Oh, I have a way. I have a method of cheating. Let's do this. Let's cheat a little bit to test the bug. We do a little bit of cheating for science. Yeah, here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna do that. We're gonna make it so that now we can't get hit by any weapon. I think so. Yeah, well, we can't get hit by a melee weapon, but now we need to also do it for the ranged weapon. Like the projectiles. So, yeah, we'll say down over, yeah, enemy rock category. So, yeah, create melee weapon hitbox. Okay, that's fine. Yeah, let's see, where is this being done? Yeah, I'm gonna give myself a little bit of invulnerability to all the damage. Yeah, so we can test the bug of like going really far. Because I think it's still there. I noticed it like a couple weeks back, and I just ignored it because I was like, oh, that's a doozy to debug. But I think we're at the point where we can maybe take a look at it a bit more. Maybe. I at least want to check if it's still there. And then we'll see. But yeah, let's see if we can give ourselves like invulnerability to like the projectiles that the enemies shoot at us. Yeah, I think that's here. Yeah, here we go. So I want to just comment this out. Like this player category here. Yeah, basically now we won't have any collision detection between the player and one of these projectiles that the enemies can shoot. Yeah, that's a way to do invulnerability, just like take away the collision detection. Yeah, that's an easy way to do it. Otherwise, I think it would be a lot more code changes. But yeah, let's see. I'll test in the simulator and see if that bug is still there. Like if we go really far in the game, will it freeze? Let's see. And hopefully we can't get hit by anything now. Oh wait, I say that and I just got hit. Uh-oh. Okay, wait. I'm gonna take away more code to see if we can do more invulnerability. Let's see. I guess I didn't get the melee weapon stuff. Let's see. So I think it's under create player. I should take out the thing. Yeah, this is gone. So unless I'm doing this again, maybe create player melee hitbox. What I could do is I could just check the enemy melee weapon category and comment out some stuff. So create enemy weapon or so. Yeah, so here I can take out this. Yeah, this contact test bit mask here. Yeah, okay, now I think I have invulnerability. So now we can test the thing. If we go really far in the game, will it freeze? Because that's one of the things we're tracking in our leaderboard, like how far the player goes. So sometimes maybe someone will go really far in the game. Yeah, now we're invincible, yippee. Yeah, now we've got invulnerability. So let's see. Yeah, because the thing is, like, the thing I was worried about was the node count in the bottom right. Yeah, yippee! Yeah, let's see. Invulnerable yippee will traverse the lands and become quite the explorer. Yeah, we're gonna go really far. Like one of the explorers of old, like Christopher Columbus or Lewis and Clark. We'll be Lewis and Clark yippee, and we'll see how far we can get in these unexplored regions of Yippee world. Let's see. Yeah, see the node count in the bottom right is like constantly increasing. Ideally it should be like around the same, because I think eventually it'll get like so big that like the game will freeze. Like there'll be too many nodes. Yeah, so I think this bug is still here. Also I noticed like the projectiles are like slower than how I'm walking, so I'm able to like run past them. We probably want to make them a bit faster or so, or at least like delete them when they're, I don't know, when they're like too far in front of us. Yeah, it's funny. Yeah, we're like super fast yippee and the arrows are slow motion. Yeah, at least that rock is like faster than us, so maybe it's like some of them are slow. We'll have to investigate. We'll have to do a little bit investigating. Yeah. Let's see how far we can go before like the game starts freezing. It's kind of like in Minecraft. Like I think in Minecraft there's like these like outer worlds or something. Like if you go out like 1,000,000 blocks, I guess eventually your game starts freezing because like it starts trying to like render stuff and it's like too much memory or something. That's kind of the similar type of bug. Yeah, we've got like too many nodes being created and not being deleted. But I think it'll cause some issues for us. Yeah, let's see. I don't know, so far we've gotten really far, and we haven't seen this issue. I think, yeah, eventually it might start freezing. I don't know, I'll see how far I can go. But last time I checked it, it wasn't like this far. Maybe it's fixed. I don't know, maybe the bugs magically go away when we fix the other bugs. Maybe we hit 2 birds with 1 stone with this one. Yeah, maybe, perhaps. Also, I just noticed, I think the arrow slowed down. Like one of the arrows, the Yippee shot slowed down. So maybe there's something like air resistance or something happening. Like, yeah, I think there's like friction on these rocks and these arrows. See, they're like slowing down. Yeah, what's up with that? Yeah, I think there's like some air resistance or something. Yeah, or like some type of friction that's causing it to not keep the same velocity. Yeah, see this arrow? It's like we're chasing it, and then see now we're like the same speed. It like slowed down a little bit. Yeah, look at this laser. It's like it's slow. Yeah. Although I noticed it looks like this bug is kind of gone actually. Like there used to be a bug a couple weeks back where like if I went like this far out in the game, it would like start freezing. Although I think we're good. I think we're actually good. So that's good. That was actually the bug that worried me the most. Like, cause that's actually like a... Oh no, wait, I think I'm starting to freeze. Oh, wait, no. I changed my mind. Was the bug in the simulator in the preview? It was in like both. Yeah, it was in both. Although I think I'm starting to like stutter a little bit. Yeah, I see the Yippee starting to stutter a little bit. Yeah, it's starting to freeze up a little. Yeah, I think it's because that node count in the bottom right. Once it gets like too big, it's like, yeah, it becomes too much for the phone. Yeah, because I think what's happening is it's like trying to do like I have a lot of code in the update function, which admittedly is not super good. But I've got like some for loops in there, and some of the for loops like loop over the nodes in the game. So if there's like 1,700 nodes, it'll like try and loop through that many items every frame, which I think is what's causing this lag here. Yeah. So I tried to do some code where it would like delete some nodes if they weren't on screen, but it didn't exactly like work 100%. Like there's still some nodes that come through, because you'll see the node count in the bottom right. It like sometimes it drops a little bit and then it goes back up and then it drops, but it's not like it should be around like 70 or so, like constantly. But yeah, it like creeps up a little bit. But yeah, I see the Yippee like stuttering a little bit here. Yeah, but I think even if I go like further, it'll freeze a little bit. But yeah, this was the bug I was worried about the most, because it's like you have to like delete the nodes which aren't on screen, and you gotta like save them though, because you can always go back, right? So once you delete the ones that aren't on screen, like maybe the player changes their mind, they want to go left, you gotta re-show them. Yeah, so you gotta like save their positions and such in such an efficient way that like you don't have to loop through all of them, but still get back to them. It's kind of a very interesting thing to fix. But yeah, right now it looks like it's not fully fixed. We're kind of like freezing a little bit. We're stuttering. Yeah, so I think this is like the hardest bug to fix. But yeah, I don't know how long it'll take me to fix that one. This one's much more involved to fix. Yeah, I might just focus on some of the smaller ones first. But we fixed the one with the enemy projectiles. That was good. That was there for a while, but that looks like that's fixed. Yeah, that was, yeah. You can make it like old school Mario, where you can only go back a screen and a half of distance. I could, but I don't know. I don't know. Is that like ideal? Like I don't know if I, cause I don't know. Yeah, I'll think about it, cause like that might change like how the game plays. I don't know if like the player will feel that bad if they can't go back. Yeah, cause like if we have the ability, like right now I could go all the way back to the start of the game if I wanted to. Like right now the code is like saving the positions of every object in the game, so I can go back to the very beginning if I want. But I don't know if the player like really, like in my mind I'm like, oh, maybe they want to do that, but maybe that's not so important. Maybe it's fine if they can just go back a little bit, like you're saying, Kingudi, because that would fix this bug. That would make it much easier to diagnose, because then I could just delete things permanently. I don't need to keep track of everything like forever, because that's what I'm doing right now. I have like a dictionary of every node, and the key is like their position, and yeah, it's like, yeah. If you were to unalive the Yippies, do they respawn if you go back? No, they don't. Yeah. Yeah, so if I delete these Yippies, and I go here, yeah, and I go back, then they shouldn't be there. Yeah. Although I think they might still be in the array. I don't think I'm actually removing them from like I think the loop every frame, like in the update function, is still checking the positions of these deceased Yippies. But yeah, that might be part of the lag. But yeah, I don't know. Would it, like, what do you think, Kingudi? Would it be alright if I just like gameplay wise, if I like made it so that they didn't have to, they could only go back like part of the way? Like, I don't know, because I like the game isn't really like there's not like crazy structures that can spawn, I guess. Yeah, I don't think it'll be a big deal for the player if there's empty space. Yeah, right, because like if they walk past like a lot of those things, like how likely is it that they're gonna want to go like all the way back, you know? Because like one of the metrics we're tracking is like the distance they travel. So if they go left, like that won't go up. It's like there's not really too much benefit for them to go back. Yeah, I guess. Yeah, that would fix it though. That would fix it. And that would definitely like make it more performant too. Because then you're not like storing as much in memory, like all the time. Yeah. I think I might do that. Yeah, let them go back a bit to give them breathing room to see how they would want to attack the next group of Yippies. Yeah. That's a good suggestion. So like, let them go back, but like not a bunch. Like maybe like 1.5 screens or something. Yeah. I think so. I think that could be a good strategy. So like instead of having them like the ability to infinitely go back, because that means you'd have to like store every single like square on the screen like all the time, then you could just like delete everything, which is like more than like maybe like 1.5 screens back. I think so. Yeah, that would actually, yeah, I think I'm okay with that. I think I'm okay with that. Yeah, because that wouldn't be like so bad, I think. Yeah, my worry was like it would like limit the player too much. But now that I think about it, I don't think it's like really that big a deal if they can't like, you know, if they've traveled like 5,000 blocks and they want to go back to the start. I don't know if that's like, if anyone's gonna really want to do that. Yeah, I think so. I think that would probably be a good way to fix it. Because yeah, the other way to fix it would like I've tried some code to fix this, but like it's been very convoluted. Like there's like dictionaries, and like the key is like, you know, like every node within 1,000 blocks of the player. Like the world is like split up. It's like it gets super complicated otherwise. Yeah, and then I think about games like, you know, like Temple Run or like Jetpack Joyride, like these kind of games where you're like going from left to right, like you're constantly going. And those games, like, you never go backwards, right? Like, you don't even have the ability to go backwards. So, like, in that kind of vein, I think it's not uncommon to, you know, not be able to, like, go back to the start of the game. Yeah. Yeah, I think that's a good strategy, Kanguri. I think I will probably do that. Yeah, because that'll fix this bug. This bug was the most intimidating to me. Like it was the one where I was thinking like, oh, I think the game will be delayed by quite a bit, like the release, just because of this one bug. Because it's like very, yeah, it's quite the doozy to fix comparatively to the other bugs. But if we go that route, then I think we'll be good. I think we'll be good. Yeah, I don't know if I'll fix it this stream though. I think that's kind of like, I'll probably fix some of the other bugs, like that one, because it'll be a little bit of a code refact. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. Yeah, but I think I'll do that. Yeah, let me mark that down, because that's a good strategy. I'll do that. I think yeah, I'll definitely do that, because that's a good way to fix it, and it's not too limiting. Yeah. Thanks for that suggestion. I didn't really think about that, but now I think I'm open to it. I'm gonna write it down in my list here. Yeah, I think this list is out of date. This is like all the things I have left to do. Yeah, this was the bug. Fix lag reaching a far enough distance. Let me see. So, fix only store nodes like up to like 1.5 screens widths behind player or so, and then like otherwise delete them. Anytime, glad to help. I like helping you more than I like doing my current project. I appreciate it. I appreciate it. Hey, good luck on your project though. Yeah, I appreciate the help though. Yeah, we'll be getting this on the App Store eventually, like very soon I think. Like most of the UI is done, so it'll be out. So, you know, everyone who's chipped in will be able to see and play. Like if you have like an iPhone or an iPad at least. Yeah, so that'll be cool. That'll be cool, I think. Yeah, I appreciate the help, definitely. I like the back seating. Yeah, some people like don't like it, but I like it. I'm taking a break right now. I'm excited to see it on there. Yeah, it'll be good. It'll be pretty good. I'm excited too. That'll be like the first app I have under this, under Cipher. Yeah, we'll have, and more apps will be coming soon, so that'll be good. But yeah, I'm pretty excited too, because I think we're really close. I think we're really close. Yeah. Let's see. Let's update our to-do list though, because we've still got a little bit of things left, but not too much. We still got this bug. It's like sometimes when we spam our like arrows, like our ranged weapons, like sometimes the enemies become invulnerable. Yeah, so I want to fix this. I think I have a fix. Like I kind of wanted to nerf the ranged weapons, because like right now, oh, also welcome Sputnik. Yeah, we're doing some bug fixing. We're sucking up the bugs in the vacuum cleaner, and we're getting rid of them. Yeah, we're doing some good things. But yeah, like one of the things I wanted to fix was like the balance of the game, because like you see it, you can like spam like tap the screen, and you get like a billion arrows to spawn. So it's like in my mind, like why would you ever use the melee weapon if you can just like Gatling gun one of the enemies like this? Yeah, I'm working on JavaScript bugs and it's making me go oh my gosh, Sputnik. Yeah, JavaScript bugs are like oof. Yeah, I'm no web dev, so I haven't seen too much of it, but I've heard some oof things. Yeah, I imagine it's kind of similar to like mobile stuff, because you've got like different, like I know with like UI development, you've got like the different like browser sizes too. That's kind of one thing I was working on too, like making the game look nice on iPad and iPhone screen sizes. And like I think front end is kind of similar, where you've got like different browser sizes, so it's like weird bugs. But yeah, I can get the sentiment. It's very oof. Yeah, when you've got the bugs and you're like, ugh, what to do? But yeah, we've got a couple things we've still got to do. Yeah, let's get rid of our invulnerability though. Our little hack here to go invulnerable. Yeah, we'll get rid of that. Also, this looks like only to be a preview bug. That was kind of weird, where it was like creating multiple games. That was kind of wacky. Yeah, let's see. Let me go over my to-do list. I forget what I have here, or what I have like like what I've done and what I haven't done. Let's see. So yeah, we have the bug where like sometimes the enemies are immune when we like spam our arrows. So one thing I wanted to do was like make it so the player can only fire like one arrow slash projectile every, I don't know, like 2 seconds or so. Yeah, that would like also balances ranged weapons from being broken. Because if you can spam, then it's like, it's pretty broken, I would say. But I think if you can't spam, that would fix this bug too. Yeah, so I think so. Let's see, what else do we have? Maybe add more enemy spawning. I think I fixed this. I think I did that. Let's see, what else do we have left to do? Maybe update enemy movement to have enemies not launch fast off structures. Oh yeah. Yeah, sometimes when an enemy is like on top of like one of the structures, they can like fall off and they go really fast when they fall off. Yeah. I see a cooldown property in your future. Yeah, that's what I'm thinking, Kingudi. I think I'm gonna have something where it's like I'm gonna have like a timer, and I'm gonna have it so where like if the like every time the timer happens, there's like one opportunity to like shoot an arrow, and then when the timer's up, like the opportunity, I guess, like resets or something. Yeah, that's kind of what I'm thinking. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna have like a cooldown for the arrows, I think. Yeah, because otherwise it's kind of like, I think it's kind of broken. Yeah. Yeah, let's see what else we got. I think, yeah, here's one, like making the app look nice on all screen sizes. I was actually doing this like in the last 2 streams or 3 streams or so. I was making it look nice on iPad. So this is like done for, I actually fixed this for most of the things. So this is actually already looking nice on some of the screen sizes for most of the views, except the actual game itself. Yeah, let me actually show that, because it's like, I'll show the iPhone 14 simulator, because it already looks nice on iPhone, mostly. And on iPad for some of the views. Yeah, so like the settings here, this looks alright. And then the stats, this is okay. And then the shop, like this is alright, I think. Sometimes these buttons at the bottom get too close to the bottom. And then this like gems view is alright. And then on iPad, it's alright for most of the views, but not all of them. So I still have some work left to do to make it look nice on the different iPad sizes. Yeah, let me show on the gymongous iPad. The iPad 12.9 inch. Yeah, we'll show on that one, because that's a pretty big one. But we've still got a little bit of work there left to do. Yeah, a slight amount. A little bit. But yeah, let's bring up the gymongous iPad. Yeah, I think it's like one of the biggest ones. Let's see. Yes, here we go. We've got big iPad here. Oh my gosh, wait, it's actually like ginormous. I have to like scale it down. Yeah, take a look at this. This is a big iPad. Oh my goodness. Yeah, see, I adapted the UI to kind of look a little nicer on iPad for like these views, but the shop is still like, it's not scaled well. Yeah, we still need to fix this for iPad. And the game, it looks kind of wacky. The game itself, it's like everything's miniature. We've got mini Yippee with big bat. Yeah, so we need to make the things look nice on the iPad still for like some of the things. Yeah. Also, I still see some freezing, I think. I don't know. Is that still there? I don't know. Well, we'll see. It's slightly there. I don't know. Is it? Oh yeah, we're like printing at the bottom. Okay. Yeah, good thing I tested on iPad. Maybe it's... Yeah, we'll have to investigate this a bit more then. Yeah, a little bit more. Yeah, we've still got some freezing still. A little bit. Yeah, we still got some things to fix. Yeah, like in iPad, the projectiles are like slow motion. Yeah, we've got a couple of things to fix for sure. Yeah, a little bit. But we're definitely doing. We're going. We're definitely going. Like, I think all the gameplay's done, and the UI is done, minus, like, making it look nice on different screen sizes for, like, the game itself. Yeah. Because we got, like, this pause view looks nice on iPad, but the game itself doesn't. Oh, wait. Wait, do you see that? There's, like, backwards arrows. Oh my gosh, wait, what's going on there? Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Oh, I think I know what's happening. Wait, I think it's... Oh. Yeah, look. Bro, the arrows are, like, doing some wacky stuff. Only when I pause, though. Wait, this is a new bug. Oh my gosh. Whoa. Oh, you know what's happening? It's like... It's not setting the velocity to the right thing when I unpause. Oh my gosh. Whoa. Oh my goodness. Whoa, it's like a... I don't know, it's a dance of the arrows. It's a little dance they're doing. Oh my gosh, we're like... I don't even know how to describe this. This is so wacky. Yeah, I guess there's a bug with pausing then. Oh my gosh, the velocity on these arrows is going wild. Wait a minute. Wait, this is new. Okay. I'm gonna write that one down. That is whack. That's pretty wild. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna put that in my bug list. Yeah. Oh my goodness. So like, after pausing, velocity of projectiles is, I don't know, swapped or something. Like, not maintained. Oh my goodness, that was wacky. See, that's kind of like why I like programming and game development, like, in general, because sometimes you can find like weird bugs in your code, and it's just like it's kind of entertaining just to see like the weird things. Yeah, how wacky, how wild. Let's see, what else have we got left to do? Implement persistent storage. I actually did this. Yeah, this is done, so that's good. Yeah, basically like all the settings are saved on the phone persistently. So like whatever you buy in the shop, or yeah, whatever skin you select, it'll save your selection the next time you open the app. Yeah, this is done. So that's good. Yeah, also we have sound left to do. I was gonna add some sound effects, like the little yippee sound effect. I was gonna do that. I was gonna do, like, every time you start the game, it'll say yippee. I think that'll be good. That'll be good. And maybe like oof if you get hit, like some swoosh sound. Maybe like arrow shot sound. We'll do a little bit of sound effects. Well, this should actually be really quick to do. I have some like boilerplate template code that I copy around in a lot of my projects. So this should actually take like 30 minutes once I have all the sound files. Yeah, it's like probably even less than that. It should be pretty quick. Yeah. Yeah, so I got a couple things left. Oh yeah, also this song in the playlist, I'm not a big fan. I'm gonna swap the playlist. We're gonna do some peaceful Pokemon music, because I'm a big Pokemon fan. So we'll do that. Yeah, let's see, what else have we got? Leaderboard. This is the only thing that's really left. Integrate login with Game Center and load scores from Game Center. Yeah, so actually I'm pending some stuff on this. Yeah. Hey, Ardmosa. Bro, you out there immediately with the statement. Oh my goodness. Yeah, we're going over what we've got left to do. I send you good luck. Hey, I appreciate it, Ardmosa. We're kind of close on the app. We've still got like some bugs left, but we're done with like gameplay and like how the app looks. So I think we're like pretty close to getting her done. We just got some kinks to fix. Yeah, some little bugs to vacuum, so to speak. When will it come to the game store? It probably, I don't know. If I give it like I'll give it an estimated Oh, the Play Store. Yeah, the thing is, it'll only be on the App Store. Yeah, I don't know how to make Android apps, unfortunately. Yeah, I just noticed that everyone in the chat is purple. Wait, that's so coincidental. Oh my gosh. Yeah, I'm sorry, Ardmosa. I'm not very familiar with how to make Android apps. Me go to sleep with sadness. Oh, I hope not. Hey, I hope you have a nice sleep though. Yeah, but it'll only be like for iPhone and iPad. I'm kind of a one-trick pony when it comes to development. I make the iPhone and the iPad apps, but I'm not familiar with Samsung Android stuff. Yeah, we'll be waiting for bro. You're so silly. But yeah, we're pretty close. I think I give it like maybe like I don't know, like maybe like a month tops. Like I'm there's still some bugs left and some iPad stuff to do, but yeah, I think we're like on the latter quarter of the development. I would say we're like done with most things. Yeah, so it'll be coming very soon. Very soon. Yeah, probably within the next month, I want to say. But if we find some crazy bugs, then I'll give an updated estimate. But that's kind of what I'm thinking right now. Yeah. Let's see, what else do we have to do? As I've got leaderboard, we have the leaderboard UI done. We just need Game Center. So yeah, I think we can probably take out these bullet points. Make settings view. We did this. Make stats view. We also did this. Yeah, looks like we've got a lot done. Oh yeah, this is stuff outside the app. Make Apple dev account. I'm pending this. This is what I'm pending for Game Center stuff. Yeah, I need a... Yeah, this is like pending some tax stuff. Yeah, a little bit. Oh, we have the account. We just need to be able to create an app within it. Yeah. Make website with privacy policy. I was actually... This was what I was working on off stream like a couple days ago. Yeah, we have a website now, but we don't have a privacy policy yet, or like terms of use. But I did make a website like on like Wednesday or so. Yeah, so that is a thing now. Yeah, let me show that actually, because we've got the thing going. We've got the thing going now. We've got a website. We do have a website. Yeah, let us show the website. Yeah, here we go. I put this together in like a couple... Yeah, I didn't spend much time on this because I just wanted Apple... Like, I was in the middle of an Apple support ticket, and they were like, your website looks pretty jank. Because I just had like a WIP, a work in progress page. So they were like, you should do the things and put some stuff on your website, bro. And I was like, okay, I'm gonna put stuff on the website. So I just put this together really quickly. But yeah, this is what the website is for our apps, where we're gonna be putting our privacy policies and our support contact, because such things are required by Apple. We need these things. But yeah, this is the cyberspace. This is what we're doing. This is where we're gonna have our apps, and we'll have like the privacy policy, which is just TBD right now, and also the contact, because these are the two things that are required to upload an app into the App Store. Yeah, you need a website, and you need a privacy policy, and you need a contact URL. Yeah, so we had to put on another hat and become a web developer for a couple days. Yeah, but we got this up and running as of like Wednesday. But yeah, this is the Cipher moon. This is the cyberspace where we put the apps. Yeah, so this will be kind of where we keep the information for the apps, and then the privacy policy and the necessary things. Yeah, so that's good. We've got the good stuff going. So that's this line. Yeah, so we've done the website. Website done. Just make privacy policy, and yeah, my support link actually doesn't work right now. If you hit submit, it doesn't send any emails to me. It just submits and does nothing. So I need to fix that. Yeah, and fix support form submit. Yeah, I need to do that. And then there's this other stuff, but that's not too bad. We'll do a little bit of promo for the app, a little bit. But yeah, our list is shorter now, much shorter. And all of this is like not the app, and this is the app. It's mostly just bugs. We've just got bugs, and then Game Center, and then sound, and then make it look nice on iPad. Yeah. That's why I'm thinking it's probably gonna be like, I don't know, like a month tops, because we've done like all the meat of the development. This is kind of just like bug fixing and Game Center, and I have some reference code for this actually. So I don't think this will be like one stream. I think this won't be too bad. In fact, that might be like my next stream if I have my account stuff done. Yeah, so this is definitely going. This is good. Yeah. Also, after the app is published, I'm gonna put like a revive feature, so you can like watch a little ad and revive with like half health remaining or something if you die in the game. Yeah, so that's like an update for the app. So this actually isn't like, this won't even be part of like the first release. Yeah, so we really just have like this and like this as part of like the first release. Yeah, this is good though. We've got some good things going. But yeah, let's fix that bug with the pause on the arrows. That was weird. That was very weird. Let's try and fix that one. Like when we shot our arrows and we paused and unpaused, it made the arrows go wacky. Yeah, let's see if we can fix that. Yeah, we'll test this on the iPhone. Yeah, let's see. Let us see. So yeah, if I shoot this and I pause, yeah, like see the arrow like doesn't maintain the velocity. Yeah, it's like, yeah, it like goes off in one direction. Yeah, you see that? It's like it's doing some weird stuff. Indeed, it's doing the wacky thing. Yeah, let's see if we can fix that one. Let's see if we can fix that one. Yeah. So, this only happens when we pause, so let's take a look at our pause code. Like pause game. Yeah, because I do some things when I pause. I like make every animation freeze, and then I make it so that like if you're moving right, you like release the right button or the left button. I also set the velocity of the player to 0. Right, because if you're like falling and you pause, you like want to freeze in midair, right? Yeah, you don't want to like keep falling when you're paused. Yeah, same for the enemies too. Yeah, and also this is like, if they're in the middle of firing at us, like the enemies are shooting at us with their slingshot, then this code makes it so that like when you unpause, it like knows how much time is left before they need to fire at us again. Yeah, so like if it's like they fire every second and we pause, then they might have like half a second left before they fire again. So this is like saving that. Yeah. And then, yeah, I think this is the code that we're missing. Yeah, I think this is what's causing the bug. Like we've got like, when we shoot our projectiles, we set their velocity to 0. But I guess when we unpause the game, we're not giving them the right velocity again. Yeah, let's see. So I think we've got like continue game or something. Let's see. Yeah, I forget what function I do to continue the game. Like resume game. Yeah, here we go. Oh yeah, I see that. Yeah, so this velocity is actually wrong. Yeah, this is like 500. This is not always 500. Yeah, this has to be like very specific values, like both of these. Yeah, it looks like that's what the bug is. Cause yeah, it's thinking it's like 500, but it's actually like 500 like sine of some angle. Yeah, so this is not the right velocity. Yeah, so we need to save the velocity of each arrow with the arrow. Yeah. So I guess whenever we spawn an arrow, we need to save the velocity with it. Yeah, so that would be like in our touches began, where we're spawning our arrows. Yeah, over here. Yeah. So, yeah, see, it's like 500 sine of some value. Yeah, so we need to set this. Yeah. I think we can get rid of these prints also. Yeah, that's not needed. Yeah, let's see. So how do we want to save the data? We can use the user defaults again, right? Yeah, I think so. Yeah. So we need to save. I don't think the Z rotation changes, just the velocity. Like these two values, we need to save with the projectile. So we can say this. We can say like player projectile dot user data of, I don't know, we can say like projectile x velocity, and we can set this equal to this. Yeah, that's kind of what I'm thinking. And then we'll do projectile y velocity, and we'll do that. So then that should save the data with the arrow. So then we'll need to call this. Oh, wait, do we need to force unwrap? Okay, I think that's okay. Yeah. I think that's okay. Yeah. Okay. I think we're calling user data on some other things, right? Yeah, here. Yeah. So, okay, I see what they're doing here. Yeah, so we'll need to do something like this. Yeah. Well, actually, we only need to save the data once, right? We just need to read it. Yeah, so that should be fine, actually. So when we call our resume game, we'll just pull the data for the projectiles here. Also, we need to do the same for the enemies. But let's try with the player first. Yeah, so we'll get if, we'll do this. We'll say if let player projectile x velocity equal player projectile dot user data whatchamacallit. This should not have initializer for conditional binding, must have optional type not bool. Okay, yeah, if let thing equal as what is that data type actually in our touches began? What type is this? This is a float. Yeah, so we'll go to our continue game, or like resume game. Yeah, and we'll do as CG float. Yeah, so if this is CG float, we don't want to return. And we also want to say like let player projectile y velocity equal this thing as CG float. I can put these on separate lines too. Yeah, I think so. And then we'll say this, our velocity is equal to player projectile x and dy is this. Yeah, and then we'll need to change this to like whatever we had before. Projectile x velocity and y velocity. Ooh. Yeah, let's see if that fixes it. I have a feeling it might. If we save the velocity and then we redo the thing. So if I Oh, oh, that was most unexpected. Yeah, it looks like we crashed. Uh-oh. I'm guessing it like found nil or something. Yeah, maybe I didn't create the user data object, like the dictionary. I think that's what's happening. But let's see. I'll run it in the preview, the simulator rather, and it'll tell us what line of code it crashed on. Oh wait, that's the iPad. Let me pull up the iPhone 14. Yeah, we'll see where it crashed. Yeah, so now it crashes. Yeah, that's kind of what I thought. So it's crashing here. Like the user data object is nil. Yeah, so we need to create this first. Yeah, I guess what we can say is we can say this user data equals this, and we can initialize all of our values this way. I think that might be a better way to do it. Yeah. I think so. Yeah, let's try again. I think that's a better way to go about it. So, we'll try shooting our arrow, pause. Okay. Awesome. Cool. Now the arrows aren't doing the funky dance. Cool. That is good. Another bug fixed. A bug discovered and fixed very quickly. Yeah, we don't like having the bugs linger about. So we do the fixing thing. And that's good. Although I think the same thing might happen for the enemy projectiles. Like, let's check this rock, for example. Like, if it... Okay, I think the reason it's not showing a bug is because it's going in a constant direction. So it wouldn't change direction anyway. But we'll implement the logic for it, just in case. Yeah. So, also we can take out this. I don't think we need this. Yeah, so we'll add some data to those projectiles. For the enemy projectiles. Yeah, so let's see. We have a create enemy, like spawn enemy. Yeah, where am I shooting those projectiles? Like enemy rock category or so. Yeah, let us see. Let us see where these things are. Let's debug a little bit. Let's vacuum up some more bugs. Yeah, I think it's wherever we're creating this. Let us see. Here we go. Yeah, so we wanna like, here's we're setting the velocity. Let's save this. Wait, actually no, wait. This is a constant velocity. So we don't actually need to save this because it's constant. Yeah, I think I'm okay with that then. So when we resume the game, it'll keep this velocity for the enemy projectiles. Yeah, this is good then. This is good. Yeah, I'm okay with this. Yeah, so let's see. So yeah, now when we shoot the arrow and we pause, it like keeps the same trajectory and speed. So that is good. That is poggers, I might even say. Yeah, so let's see, what other bugs do we have? I think there's still the bug with this bat. I noticed on iPad at least, like when the thing hits our bat, it's still kind of like freezing a little bit. Or well, it does this in the simulator or the preview, but not the simulator. Yeah, let me try this in the simulator again. Yeah, well, let's see again. I think we fixed it in this one at least. Let's take a look. Let's take a little gander. Yeah, see there? It's fine. Yeah. Yeah, this is alright. Yeah, we're blocking the thing. That is okay. Oh wait, I know why this is okay. Because this is not the bat. The bat is the one with the problems. Yeah, wait a minute. So if I tested the bat, actually... Oh wait, what the heck? Wait, I should be having the bat now. Uh-oh. Wait a minute. Wait, we might have another bug. Oh wait, I should have like the bat selected. Hold on a second. Wait a minute. Wait, let me delete this app actually. And then give myself a bunch of rubies. And re-download it. Yeah, I'm gonna give myself like a buttload of rubies. I'll give myself 50,000 rubies. Yeah, because I think this bug only appears on like, on the bat. I don't think it's a problem with the sword. Yeah, I noticed like we're not saving the sword selection in the shop. Yeah, let's download this again. Yeah, so let's buy this. And let's buy this. Let's select the sword. Yeah, so this is good. And then let's select the bat again. Yeah, now let's see. Oh. Oh, that is weird. Okay. Wait, this is a bug. This is a bug. Wait, we found another bug. Let's try and fix this one. Yeah, we found another bug. Yeah, let us fix this one. Yeah, so we should have like the bat instead of the sword there. But it looks like it's not saving our selection. And it normally does. Actually, let me test the other things, like the skins, to be sure. Maybe it's just the weapons. I have a feeling it could just be the weapons. Yes, if I like buy the green skin and I select this one. Yeah, so this is fine. What if I select the stick? Let's see. Oh wait, now I have a bat. Oh, it's a numbering issue. Oh, because I changed some numberings before. But I didn't know this extended to this. Okay, I know what's causing this. Yeah, I know what's causing this bug. But yeah, it was it's a small thing. A small thing. But yeah, let's fix this one. Yeah. So yeah, basically what's happening here is that like this power thing controls what weapon I have. Yeah, so I start off with the stick, which is like 1 power. And if I buy the sword and I select it, it should give me 3 power. And if I buy the bat, it should give me like 2 power. But I think what's happening is it's like thinking the sword is like 2, and the bat and the sword are like 3 and 4. It should be 1 to 3. How this is working. Yeah. So I think that's probably some code in the shop, maybe. When I'm like saving it, it's like not giving it the right power. Let's see. So I'll take a look at my shop stuff. Under the weapons, select weapon view. Yeah, so okay. I think wait, let me confirm first. Like that I'm right about that. So it's like, oh no wait, it's 0 to 2. That's what I think it is. Yeah. So this is like 0 to 2 instead of like 1 to 3. I changed like the numbering before. I guess I didn't change it in all the places. Let's check our code for this. Yeah, so this is also 0 to 2. That's good. Yeah, that's good. Let's see, case 0. Let's see where we find this. Enemy weapon stuff. Case 1. Let's see. Let us see. Okay, that's fine. Yeah. So it must be somewhere else. Yeah. Yeah. I think maybe it's in our constants, actually. Like, supporting constants. Oh yeah, it is. It is. I found the bug. It was in here. Yeah, I'm saving this as power 0 to 3. Or 1 to 3. It should be 0 to 3. Or 0 to 2. Yeah, that should fix that. That should fix that bug. Yeah, let's double check. So we'll open our app. I'll actually need to delete it and reinstall it to reset the data. Yeah. So we reset our purchases and such. And we'll install it again. And let's see. So now if I buy the bat and I select it, I should get the bat in the game. Alright. And then let's test the other weapons. So let's select the sword, buy it and select it. And okay, that's good. That's good. Now let's try the bat. Let's try the bat, or the stick rather. Oh wait, okay. Now the stick is giving me the bat. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Wait a minute. Wait a second. Wait. I think we fixed like part of it, but... Oh yeah, also I see something. You see the power is like the little green power things. It's supposed to be like 1, 2, and 3. But it's going like 1, 1, 2. Yeah. Oh, I see that. That's a bit odd. Okay, it's not fully fixed yet. But I think we're close. I think we're close. Yeah, let's see. Let's see what we can do. Let's take a look back at the code. See if we missed anything. Yes, I think this is fine. This should definitely be like 0 to 2, I think. Let's take a look at that green thing before, like in the shop. We had like those little green bars. Yeah, like these ones. So this should be power thing. If power... Yeah, okay. Yeah, changing that code changes a lot of things. Yeah, so this should be fill power greater than 1. It should be greater than 0. It should be greater than 1. Okay, and then when we have a power of 1... Okay, I think that fixes that. Alright, that should fix like the UI stuff. And then now I need to fix like the selection thing. Yeah, we've got a couple things. A little bit. Yeah, let's see. So... Alright, yeah, let's test this first. Okay. Oh no, wait, I think that's because it has like old preview data. I think that's fine actually. Let's test in our simulator though. See if the UI stuff fixed. Like the stick should have like 1 green bar. Let's see. Or if we reload, if we delete the app and re-download. Let's see. Let us take a little gander. Let us see. So... okay. Yeah, okay. That fixed it. Cool. So that fixes the UI thing, but I think we're still gonna run into a problem if we select this and we select the stick. I think it gives us the bat. Yeah. So I think our numbering is off in one more place. Let's see, where is that place? The numbering to determine the weapon. Yeah. Let us see. Let us take a little gander. I think it's when we're saving it, probably. I've got like some managers here. Player data manager. Yeah, so when we're saving, or like setting our purchase, like set current melee weapon or something. Yeah. Set current melee weapon here. Yes. Let us see. Let's see. So, yeah, we get player data, current melee weapon is weapon details. Yes, so let's see, where is this being used or something? Yeah, let's find the references for weapon details. Let us see. Where could the thing be getting set incorrectly? Oh, here. Oh, that would explain it. Yeah, I think so. That's definitely a bug. Yeah, that should be zeros. Let's make sure that was like the only thing though. I think so. Let's triple check. We like to do a little bit of triple checking around here. As we do. Just to confirm the things. Yeah. So this is mostly good. Oh yeah, I guess for this preview we can make this a 0. Yeah. Alright, I think that was it. I think that was the bug there. Yeah, let's test again. Let us test. And we'll do a classic deletion of the app and then another reinstall to be sure. Because yeah, when we save data persistently, we gotta like delete the app to reset it. Yeah. Let's see then. So if I buy the bat and I select the stick, let's see. Ah yeah, we have the stick now. Cool. We fixed another bug. Oh man, we're going through these bugs, man. We're kind of flying through them. Very nice. Very cool. Alright. Alright. Yeah, we kind of shave off the bugs little by little. I think both of those bugs that we found in the stream and we fixed them within the same stream. So that's good. Yeah, let's see what other bugs do we have left. Yeah, see here, it looks like we don't have the bug anymore with the hitting of the projectile and freezing. So that's good. Yeah. This is all good. I'm okay with this. What is next on the horizon? There's the bug when we restart the game. The little Yippee is stuck in the little walking animation. Ideally, when you restart, that animation should not be there. Yeah, so let's fix that. Let's fix that one. That's a little bug. A little one, but one nonetheless. Yeah, so when you get a game over and you restart, like the little walk-in animation shouldn't be playing until you start walking. Yeah. So how about we fix that one? Let's see how to fix that one. I think what we can do is we can say like player, there's like a remove like animation thing or something. I forgot what it was called. It was called like, there's a certain function for it. Let's see. So pause game. This is for this is for freezing the animations. But if we want to remove them, I think, let's see. We can do like player, Yippee node, remove. Yeah, it's remove all actions. That's what we want to do. We want to do this when we, whatchamacallit, when we resume the game. Yeah. Or when we like not get a game over, like when we restart the game, rather. Yeah. I guess it'll happen like every time we continue, like when we hit the resume game button, yeah, maybe we can put it in here. Yeah, so instead of, for like the walking animation, we restart it, we just remove it. Yeah, that's what I think. Yeah, so we'll say this. We'll say player Yippee node, remove all actions. Yeah, so I think that should fix that bug with the little walk-in animation kind of remaining after we get a game over and restart. Yeah. So let's undo this and we'll restart it and then we'll see. We'll see. So if we were perchance to fall prey to one of these enemy Yippies and perhaps be in the middle of a walking animation. Also, let me test with like this. Yeah. Let's see. So we were walking there. We restart. Aha! Cool. Now he's not like walking when we restart. That's good. We fixed that one too. Nice. We fixed the little bugs one by one. And in the whole, we fix a bunch of bugs. This is good. We're making little incremental progress. This is nice. I like it. Cool. And then we have a strategy for that one kind of gnarly bug with the node count being too big. Yeah, we'll do what King Goody suggested, and we'll make it so that we can only go back so much. Yeah, so that should fix that bug. Yeah, we've got a lot of bugs fixed, and we've got strategies for fixing other bugs. So this is really good. I'm pretty happy with this. Yeah. Let's see then. What other bugs do we have left? Actually, let me pull that back up. Let me see what bugs we have still. Yeah. Or actually better, we can check our backlog. Our mini backlog that we made. Our readme. Let's see. So, we have this. So, sometimes enemies are immune to arrows when they're spammed. Okay, maybe we can start working on this then. Actually, and yeah, we just fixed this one. Like, after pausing, velocity of projectiles is not maintained. We fixed this. Yeah, this is going pretty good. Excuse me. Yeah. All right. So, yeah, let's try some things. So, let us see. I think we can do this. We can do like, we can do the whole, the whatchamacallit, the cooldown on the arrow shooting. Yeah, so that we can like balance the ranged weapons versus the melee weapons. Because I think the ranged weapons are like super broken right now. If you can like spam them, then it kind of defeats the purpose of having a melee weapon. Like you don't even need to use it. Yeah, so we'll fix the balance of our game. We'll become the executive balance designer on our game. As we are the sole developer, we'll also be the balance team. And we'll balance the game so that, yeah, the projectiles, the ranged weapons aren't so busted. Yeah. So let's put a cooldown on them. Let's put a little cooldown on how fast you can shoot arrows and such. Yeah, I think what we'll need is a timer for this. We'll need a timer object. And I think we have some stuff, some reference code for that. So we'll kind of do something similar. Yeah. Because we have timers on the enemy Yippies. We have the range shot timer. So we can do something like this. Where like, we have some global variable, which is like able to fire. And then like we have a timer for like 2 seconds or something. And like, so long as the timer is running, that variable is set to false. And then the timer resets, we set it to true. Then they fire. we start the timer again, and then we set it to false when the timer finishes. Or like, yeah, something like that, where we like have some timer running periodically, and it determines when we can shoot the thing. Yeah. Yeah, so let us do such things. Let us do that kind of thing. Yeah. How about that? So, we'll start with having a timer in here. We'll say var player can shoot timer equals timer. And then, actually, I don't know if I need to make this optional, like equals, like of timer type or something. Yeah, I think I'll make it optional. I don't want to initialize the timer when when this file is created. Yeah, and then when we start the game, we'll initialize the timer. So we'll do that here. We'll say player can shoot timer equals timer, and then we need some function, an interval. We can say like 2 seconds or so. I don't know, we might adjust this, but yeah. And then we need to know what to put here. So repeats should be true. I think so. Yeah. I have a feeling. Yeah, it should repeat. User info nil. I don't know what to put for target. I think I put like self before. Let's see actually. What did I do for these things? Let's see. Let us take a look. So, yeah, ranged shot timer. Where am I creating this? So, oh yeah, also here I should say this. I should say like player can shoot timer invalidates when we start the game again. Yeah. So, here we go. We do this dot scheduled timer. I see. Okay. That works when we have a block of code we want to run. But I'd rather run this on a function. Yeah, I don't think I like this syntax here. Let's think then. Let us do some thinking. Yeah, we'll do the timer initialization with the add objc function. Or, actually, I think this might actually work. The whole dot schedule timer stuff. Oh wait, we can use this also. Timer, schedule timer, do the thing. We can also do this. I'm kind of a fan of this syntax, because we only have one variable we're changing. Yeah, we're basically just gonna like toggle it or so. Yeah. Although, let me think about it. So, how do we want to do this? We want to... I'm going to draw it out because this is kind of an interesting scenario. I'm going to bring out the old drawing pad and we'll do a little bit of drawing because, yeah, sometimes that helps the brain think. So this is like the little cooldown. This basically... yeah, let me draw this. This will be like... cool down for yeah, like firing the player's projectile, like firing arrow or something. Yeah, I'm not very good at drawing ends. Yeah, that doesn't look like an N, it looks weird. But it's an N. Yeah, let's make it a little better. There we go. Cool. Oh yeah, cooldown for firing arrow. So let's say we have timer. Timer runs every 2 seconds. Timer. Yeah, this runs every 2 seconds or so. Yeah, let's say this. We have a timer, and it runs every 2 seconds. And we have a variable, which is like can shoot. And this is like equal to true when the game starts. Right? Like we can always shoot when we start the game. So this is true. So what do we want to do? What do we want to do? So let's say shoot. Like we shoot the arrow. So then this becomes false, right? So we shoot the arrow, this becomes false. So the next time it becomes true is after 2 seconds. Yeah, so how do we, so we like wait 2 seconds and then we get true. Yeah, we make this true again after 2 seconds. That's kind of like our cooldown logic. Yeah. So yeah, that's kind of what I'm thinking. So we shoot the arrow and then our can shoot becomes false. We wait 2 seconds and make it true again. So how do we do this part? That's the hard part. How do we wait 2 seconds? Because if you think about it, if we just put like a delay in the code, then if we pause the game, we need to save where the delay is. Because you could pause the game and it's like only waited 1 second. Then you need to wait 1 more second, so you need to save how long you've waited. Yeah. So I think that can still be a timer. Yeah, I just don't think we need to create it at the beginning of the game then. We'd only need to create it after we shoot. Yeah, I think so. I think I have a good idea on how to do this then. So we only need to create the timer when we shoot. So, yeah, instead of running every 2 seconds, it should actually run when shoots, and then it lasts like 2 seconds, and then after the 2 seconds is over, it updates the variable to false. Yeah, or like to true rather. Yeah. Although I don't think timers delay the code they execute. I think they execute it immediately and then let me think, because it might not work that way. Yeah, maybe. Let's see. If what I think is right, then I think we can do this. Well, let's see. So, yeah, we'll create a timer, and we'll have it not repeat, and we'll give it the interval of like, whatchamacallit, like 2 seconds. Yeah. Such is the way. Yeah, so we'll say like, when we shoot, so that this will be in touches began. We'll say this. We'll say, this is like firing a player projectile, so a ranged attack. So like you have the ranged weapon selected, and then you start this timer thing. So like player can shoot timer equals I guess like fire at, can we do this? Dot init fire at, oh, this is a date. Fire time interval. Oh yeah, here we go. I think, right. Yeah, the time interval will be like 2 seconds, repeats false, and then here's our block of code. Here's a little block of code. We'll say, we'll create another variable, and we'll say like player can shoot, and we'll say like true at the beginning. So we don't need this actually. We don't need this. We can say this. We can say var player can shoot equals true. Yeah. But we'll need to reset this when we clean up the game. So, or rather just like here, we'll say this player can shoot equals true. So this captures the case if we get a game over and we start the game again, then we want to be able to shoot. Yeah. So, let's see. So in our touches began, yeah, now we can say this, like else, if player can shoot, then do the thing. Then create the arrow, or the laser, or whatever. Yeah. Cool. So that should capture this. And then we need to have some logic here. Self dot player can shoot equals true. Yeah. Or actually, what I'm thinking is, actually, can this be an object or a variable on the player itself? It could be. It might be. Yeah, like player dot can shoot or something. I think that would make more sense for it to be on the player object itself. Yeah, that way we don't even need this. And maybe we don't even need this. We can put it all on the player object. Like player can shoot timer. Yeah, player dot. Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. I can just put this on the player object. Player dot can shoot timer. Yeah, so we have this player here, the little Yippee. Yeah, we can put some data on it. Yeah. Got is melee attacking is facing right. We can say this. We can say, like player. Well, this data should go on the player Yippee class, actually. Yeah. So, var can shoot is true. Var player, like, can shoot timer is a timer. Yeah, like that. That should be good. Yeah, so I think this should go away. Right. Player can shoot timer. Let's rebuild. Product build. I think it's not. If player dot can shoot. If player dot can shoot. I need to do self here. Player can shoot timer. Aha, I think so. I think so. Let's do another build to be sure. Contextual type for closure argument. Expects one argument. Maybe this. Underbar in. How about that? How about that? I don't even know if I need to capture self here. Maybe. Maybe not. Oh, we do. Cool. Alright, and then... So this is fine. This captures the case of never having to pause the game ever. So let's test it without pausing the game. And see if we have a little whatchamacallit, a cooldown on our arrows. So I'm gonna spam the screen. Oh, I guess. Looks like we still have a. Okay. This is not quite. Oh, I know what's happening. I know what's happening. I never set it to false. Yeah, we need to set this to false. So we say this. We say, a player can shoot is false. I probably should put this up at the top of this, like up here. That way we know we can't do this again. Yeah, let's see now. Let us see. So, I'm gonna spam again, and we'll see. Okay, I'm spamming. I'm spamming. I'm still spamming. Okay. I never got set to true again. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Yeah, looks like we're stuck. Let's see. Let's see what's going on. We were able to shoot one arrow, but no more. No more. Let's see. Let us think. What if we make this repeat true? I think it might work that way. Let us see. So now I'm gonna spam again. Oh no, we're still... Still not getting set to true again. Timer init. Is it because I'm invalidating it, maybe? So it's created inside touches began. I'm not so sure. Because we want this timer to work like a delay rather than an actual, like, timer. Let's think. Let's do a little bit of thinking emoticon. And see. Villager noise. We think. We do the thinking. So... It looks like this isn't... Well, we'll put some prints in here. To check. Yeah, player can shoot again. Yeah. Let's see. So... Let's see, does this ever get called? Player... Oh, it doesn't. Okay, that's our bug then. This code is never called. Player.canShoot equals .init the thing. Usually calling init does the thing, unless we need to do .scheduledTimer, not .init. Oh, I think that's what we're doing wrong. Yeah. Yeah, I think so. Fire date equals... Okay, that's fine. Yeah, I think it's the wrong function. Or wrong constructor. Yeah, I think this is the right one. I think the dot in it wasn't doing it. Let's see now. So, let's see, do we have a cooldown? Aha! Wait, no. Oh, I see what's happening here. I can, if I spam fast enough, I can get more shots in. Wait, now I'm able to like permanently shoot. Oh my, okay. Oh, I see, so it didn't really... Yeah, what's going on there? What is happening here? Oh, it's making multiple timers. Oh, that's kind of funny. It's every time I shoot, it makes another timer. Oh. I guess then I want to check if it's nil or not. If... well... But then I could just create this at the beginning of the game. Right? Yeah. Well, let's see. If player.canShoot timer is not or is nil, then do this. Yeah. Let's see then. So, if I shoot and I spam, aha! Ah, look at that. We've got a, we've got it. We've got the cooldown. Oh, nice. This is good. This is working. This is good. Oh wait, I think I was able to double do. I was able to like double click there. Yeah, I think I can bug it. If I spam it in the right spot. Like if I wait one, like if I delay it, yeah, I can do like double arrows there. Okay, it's not fully working, but it's kind of there. Like I'm spamming, and I'm only able to shoot like once every so often. But there is a bug with like the thing. Yeah. Yeah. I have an idea though. I have an idea. Here's my idea. I wonder if I can delete the timer in here. Self.player.canShoot timer invalidate. Can I do this? Can I create the timer and then delete it after? Wait, but then that's just the same as not repeating it. That seems excessive. I still need the if check. Let's think then. Thinking emoji. Let's think. How to do the thing. How to do the thing. I'm thinking. Let's see. So, if by chance we didn't want to do this thing again, what could we do? What could we do? So if the timer's nil, then we do this. However, the timer will not be nil. Yeah, this code I don't think is doing exactly what we want. Yeah, I would say it is doing something most. Let's think. Let us think. let us see. So, player can shoot timer. So we've got, what have we got? What have we got to work with? I think, so... player can shoot timers nil. Then... yeah, I'm thinking about this one. This one's a bit more nuanced than I expected. Let us think. Let us think then. And see what possibilities lie. Let me think. How about... So, okay. Yeah, we've got this. We've got this going. So if the timer is nil, we create it. So this just happens once. This only happens once. And then this gets called every second, which isn't exactly what we want. We want something a little more nuanced than that. That's a bit too straightforward for my liking. Yeah, because let's say we fire our arrow and we wait, I don't know, like 1.5 seconds. Then we might be able to fire like twice. I think that could happen. Yeah. I think that could happen. So how do we want to avoid that? Let's see. How can we avoid this? Well, let's try and break it again. So I'm spamming the screen, and we should have like a delay, or like a cooldown on our firing of the arrows. Let's see if I can try and like double do it. It needs to be like the right timing, I think. Unless it's, yeah, see there. Okay, I got like double arrows. See, if I time it right, I'm able to like spam two, which is like not ideal. Yeah, it's like a very niche scenario, but it can happen. So yeah, see, it should ideally only allow me to do one every second. Yeah, not like... yeah, sometimes it's like it's off by a little bit. But I think that'll make it so that like it's much more balanced now. Before we were using like we had like a Gatling gun of arrows, which is really broken. But at least this is bringing the rate down of the arrow shots, so that it's more balanced gameplay wise. But yeah, there's a little bit of a timing issue, a little bit, and I think this is probably not the ideal code for that. Now let's think about why that's happening. So also this music, man, this Gen 4 music, oh my goodness, the feels, that gives me right in the nostalgic feels. What is this? This is the lake theme from Diamond and Pearl. My goodness, man. Yeah, anywho, let's think about this. So, yeah, let's try and go through it. So let's say, like, shoot arrow, and then wait 1 second to shoot again. Okay. So that's ideally what we want. And so that's kind of controlled by this, right? So like, this self.player can shoot determines whether we can shoot the arrow or not. So this is like shooting an arrow, and this is setting it to false, so we can't do this again. Yeah, so when this is true, then it immediately gets set to false when we shoot an arrow. Yeah, so I guess what's happening is this is getting set true like twice, like at the same time or something, like very close, back to back. I think that's what's happening. Either that or like this code isn't getting called fast enough. I don't think it's that. I don't think it's that. Yeah, let's think then. What's an ideal way to set this to false? I feel like this is the ideal way. Like if we shoot, we set this to false. Actually, I don't think this is ideal. I think it's like if we shoot, then we set this to false, and we start the timer again. Yeah, and we're only starting the timer once. I think that's why. We need to start the timer again when we set it to false. Yeah. Okay. Okay, then let me do this. Let me do this. I didn't think this would work, but maybe. Invalidate this timer after this is set to true. And put the code like right up at the top here, so like in case this takes too long, it doesn't mess with the timing of this. Yeah, but then this should be like false. This isn't repeating. We just like recreate the timer every time. Yeah, I don't know, let's see. I don't even know what this will do, but I don't know, we can try. So, I'm gonna spam. Okay, so that's still working. Okay, and yeah, the timer stopped. Okay. I'm spamming, I'm gonna try and break it. I'm gonna try and double shoot. I don't think I can. I think we fixed it. Okay, cool. I think we fixed it. Yeah, so now we can only fire every second. I think that's a bit too long. I think that's... Yeah, we can probably make it like maybe like a quarter of that, like maybe every quarter second or something, because it feels like super slow. Like maybe, yeah. I should probably make this a constant too. Like something we can change if we want to. We can put that under game constants, I think. Static let player fire shot cooldown. Yeah, this is seconds. Yeah, why not put it in there? In case we want to change that value. Yeah. So now we can do this. Game constants dot this. Cool. Alright. So now that's 0.25 seconds. Yeah, let's see how fast that is, if it's like still broken or not. So I don't know, that still feels a bit broken. Like let's engage in combat. Is that too fast? I don't know. Let's do some more. There's this little dude. Okay. Let's fight like a strong enemy. Yeah, the gray ones are the weakest. What if I were up against something very powerful? Because like I feel like I want it so that like there's an incentive to use like the melee weapon. Because if the ranged weapon is too broken, like people are never gonna melee attack. Because there's benefit to melee attacking. You can block the enemy projectiles. Although yeah, there's still the bug with it like freezing a little bit. Yeah, there is benefit to melee attacking. You can block the projectiles the enemies shoot at you. But yeah, I don't know. I feel like it's kind of broken still. I think we need to tune it a little bit. Well, be our balance team. Yeah, let's make it half a second instead of a quarter of a second. Let's see. How does that feel? What's the feeling? What's the game feeling? Yeah, I don't know. Is that like too slow though? Like, would it feel bad for the player? Like, I want it to, like, the player feels good, but it's not broken. You have to find the balance. Yeah, like, is this too slow? I don't think so. I think that's like a good speed, or like a good cooldown. Like half a second between each shot. Or so. I think so. Yeah, that way it's not like you're instantly deleting the enemy, but you're also not feeling bad about how long it's taken to defeat them. Yeah, I think so. I think I'm okay with that. But there is a bug though that I have not yet discussed, and that is if you pause the game, you can break it because it's not pausing the timer. Yeah. Or is it? Wait. Well, at least the timer should pause when we do the thing. When we pause the game. But yeah, we're not pausing it right now, so we need to do that. Yeah, let me see if I can make it more obvious. Like if I made the cooldown like 2 seconds, like a very long time between each shot, then I can break it by pausing the game. Yeah, because it's always a consideration, the pause mechanic. Yeah, so let's say there's like 2 seconds between whenever I can fire an arrow, right? So if I do this and I pause, yeah, you see that? It's like if I pause and I wait, I can break it. If I pause and I wait a little bit, yeah, see? It's like, so I need to like pause the timer when I pause the game, and I need to save whenever I unpause, like, yeah, the time that's left, basically. So if it's like if I pause the game and there's like 1 second left to whenever I shoot, then I should save that 1 second. Yeah. So I did that with the enemy timers. Like the enemies are shooting things. Yeah. So I think I have, yeah, this variable I need for the player, like time elapsed since last fire projectile. I need the same thing. Did start firing. I don't know if I need this. I probably just need this. Yeah. But I need this. Like timer elapsed since last fire projectile on the player. Yeah. So let's see, how am I handling this with the enemies? Timer elapsed. Wait, am I, where am I calling this? Let's see. Yeah, here we go. So when we pause the game, we save how much time interval since now. This is like, if you have a timer object, this value is like how much time has passed before the timer fires again. So we need to do this for our player timer. Yeah, so we can do that here. Like player dot timer elapsed since, like time elapsed since last fire projectile. We can set this equal to player dot can't shoot timer dot fire date dot time interval since now. So this is like the current date time. And then if the timer is nil, then we say it's 0. Yeah, because there's other time intervals. There's time since 1970, which is like, I guess in date time worlds, that's like the reference in a lot of cases. I don't know why. I don't know the lore behind that, but there's something significant about January 1st, 1970, when it comes to date times in the programming world. Yeah, I don't know the lore behind that, but there's probably something. There's probably a story. Yeah, we'll use the current time. Yeah. Okay, so there's that. And then we need to, whenever we unpause the game, we need to recreate the timer at this time. Yeah, so, yeah, init the thing, dot init at this. Hold on. Wait a second. Oh, so you have to create the timer, scheduled timer. Wait. And then you init. Oh, no, you set the fire date. Okay, that's how you do it. So you create the timer. So if you like unpause the game, then you need to create the timer, do the code inside the timer, and then set the fire date to be the time remaining for the timer. Yeah, I said timer a lot. But yes, these things need to occur for the thing to work. Yeah, I remember the first time I had to do this in one of my older apps. Like basically every game that I've made with pausing, which has only been one other game. I guess this one is now the second game. But this timer stuff is kind of complicated. I thought about maybe making a video about it because it's like when I first tried to do it, there was like one Stack Overflow post or something. There's very few resources about it. And like pausing a game is very common. Like I feel like that there should be more online stuff about it. So I don't know. Maybe possible future video idea. Maybe. If I want to do like Cipher's tech tips or something. Maybe. iOS tips. Perhaps. But yeah, this timer stuff can get a little complicated. Yeah. So yeah, we need to recreate the timer. And set the fire date. Right? Yeah. So let's say resume game. I think that's what we're doing in here, right? Yeah, this is this give physics to enemy and shoot range projectiles. Yes, so we need to do the same for the player timer. Yeah, so let's do that. So we basically just need to copy over our code in the touches began for creating the timer, and just copy that over into our resume game function. Yeah, so this code we need to copy into resume game, put it here, and then say player.canShootTimer.fireDate is init time interval, and this is where that variable comes into play, since now. Okay, I think that does it. Let's see. Yeah, right? I think so. I think that was the code we had in the other thing. Let me see. Let me compare this, because sometimes I don't. It's hard to memorize like framework specific code. Yeah, let's see. Where's the thing? This one. Here. Is that right? So fire date equals init since. Oh yeah, so it's not dot now. It's supposed to be. Oh, there's time interval since now. Oh, so I think it's just it does the same thing. It's just a different constructor. Yeah, we can use the other constructor then. Yeah, so instead of the code below, we do this. Yeah, so we do time interval since now, and then we do this. All right, I think so. Now let's see. Let's see if all that code works. So that should help when we pause. We don't like break our cooldown. Yeah, so it's like, I don't know, it's like in League of Legends. I play a decent amount of League. You have like cooldowns on your ability, right? Like say I have a Q and I have a cooldown of 10 seconds. Then if I pause the game somehow, like if you can pause a League game, then the cooldown should stay at that number, right? Say there's like, you pause and there's 6 seconds left on your cooldown and you pause the game. Then the timer should pause at 6 seconds. And you need to unpause and it should only have 6 seconds left. Because the thing about Swift timers is you can't pause them. That's what makes this all complicated for Swift. Like you can't pause Swift timers. You have to delete them and recreate them at the time they left off. That's why it's kind of complicated. You have to do this like find the time elapsed and such, and the fire date. Yeah, because they only have like invalidate. This invalidate function deletes the timer, but they don't have like a dot pause. Yeah, that would make it much easier, but they don't have it. So we make do. We make do. Oh, let's see. Let's see. So let's try and break the thing with the pausing. Let's do like the 2-second delay for the cooldown on the firing of the arrows, and see if we can break it. Hopefully not, but so we pause, we wait a bit. Okay. Oh no, wait, we did like a double arrow shoot there. Wait a minute, wait a second, wait a gosh darn second. Wait. Uh-oh, wait, we're doing double shoots. Okay. Hold on a second. Is my thing wrong? Wait, let me see. We're doing resume game. Fire since this. Let me print this. Let's see if this is the right value. When we resume the game. Yeah, let's see. So, I'm gonna print this timer thing. Yeah, we're doing a cooldown for like how often you can shoot arrows. Yeah, let's see. So, we're supposed to shoot like every 2 seconds we can shoot. If I pause, I resume. Okay, there's like 1 second left. One and a half. Oh, what is going on? Okay, so that time I think it reset. Oh wait, what the heck? It went like negative. Oh, what the heck? That is weird. Wait, let's increase the timer so we don't. I can debug it a little more. Let's see. Let's see. So. 3 seconds, 3 seconds. Yeah, so we did like 4 seconds. Thinking emoji. Oh, I saw that time it like printed twice. Oh yeah. Okay. I think it has to do with something like we're calling this like multiple times, I think. Yeah, I think perhaps such things may be occurring. Indeed, I think so. Scheduled timer thing. It's more prominent when I increase the timer. Yeah, but before I had it at like 0.25. Yeah, let's set this to 2 and try and break it again. Let's do that. Yeah. Yeah. So let us see. So it's only broken when I pause the game. Or actually, maybe I think it is working right. Is it? Wait. Oh no. Yeah, that time I just fired like 4 arrows. Because it printed this like many times. Like, it should only print that once. Right? Like, it should not... Is it like unpausing multiple times? Oh, you know what? Maybe it's because of the preview bug where it's like creating multiple games. It could be that. Maybe that's why it's like printing multiple times. I'm gonna run this in the simulator then. Yeah, that preview is so buggy. Yeah, the simulator is tells a more truthful story sometimes. Let's see. I'm gonna check the prints. We'll check the prints and see. Let us take a gander. Oh no, the same thing is happening. Okay. Yeah, I take it back then. Yeah, it looks like okay. Wait, we've got some kind of bug. I think it has to do with like this printing multiple times though. Why is that? Why is that happening? Let's see. So here's where this is printing. So it's calling resume game like multiple times then, I think. Like, yeah, this should not be printing more than once. If this is like only called once. Let's see, where is this being called? This is getting called in the game view here. The resume game. Yeah, right? It's like when I pause the game and I resume the game like once. Yeah, that should only print once then. Unless like we still have multiple instances of the game, which would be very unfortunate. Let's see. Am I gonna print this multiple times? Let's see. We shall see. Let's test this again. See if we get like resumed game printed more than it should be. Let's see. So I'm gonna pause, resume game, and then I spam it a little bit. Resume game. Okay, I'm gonna pause, resume, and not click. Okay, pause. Oh, I know what's happening. Oh my gosh, this is a really sinister bug, but I know exactly what's happening. So there's an animation for this paused screen to go away. Like you see when I click this, it fades out. But what happens is I can still click it while it's fading out. So I can click the button like multiple times. Oh my gosh, that is wild. I think that's what's happening. Oh my gosh. So it's like while the animation's fading out, I can click the continue button, like the resume button, like many times. That's why I can spam it. Oh my gosh. So I have to like disable the button until the animation's done. How do I do that? Oh my gosh, that's a really Cheeky bug. Oh my goodness. That's like... That's hard to catch. But I'm pretty sure that's what's happening. Yeah, okay. So... How to do the thing. Game, resume game. So this is the pause view. So I guess if I've resumed the game... Maybe... how to do this? Maybe I can do this. I can say like... interaction or something. Interaction or dot... Like... Enabled... There's a property I think you can put on views to make it so you can't click any part of it unless it's true. User interaction. Let's see. What is the thing? What is the thing? I forgot the property. What's it called? It's like there's user interaction enabled in Swift and UIKit. Is user interaction enabled, but I don't know what it's in Swift UI. Disable user interaction on thing. Allows hit testing. What? Disabled. Okay. Disabled. And then game is paused. Not. Okay. I think that should do it. Yeah, okay. Cool. Now I'm spamming the button and it's only printing once. Okay. Yeah. Okay, so we have to like disable. I'm gonna do this here too. That is a very gross bug. I really don't like that bug. That is what I call like unpaused. Yeah. That's like an animation timing bug that causes odd things to happen. Let's try and break it again. So I'm gonna like unpause and spam it. Okay, I think we fixed it. Oh no, wait, no, wait. No, there's two rocks again. Okay, we fixed like the spamming of the button though. But I don't know if we fixed the timing issue. Or like the rock thing. Like if we can shoot like we can double shoot the rocks. Yeah, we shouldn't be able to do that. So that bug is still there, but we fixed the animation bug where we can like spam the button multiple times. So that's fixed. Yeah. I'm surprised like this stream is for fixing bugs. I think we found 3 bugs this stream, but we did fix them. But yeah, we found some bugs. Like not only did we fix some existing ones, we found some, but we fixed those too. But yeah, there's definitely a bug with this one though. Yeah. Yeah, we'll need to fix that one though. Yeah. But I think, I don't know. I'm kind of feeling good about it. I'm feeling good. I think we've done a lot so far. Like what did we fix so far? We fixed like I don't even know actually. There was we fixed a bug where like if you fired a thing and you paused the game, like sometimes the projectiles would go in weird directions. We fixed that. We started looking at the whole when the projectiles hit the bat, it like freezes the game. I think we still have that bug, but it's like we're on a good track to fix it. What else did we fix? What else? I know we fixed a bunch more. I forget what they were. Yeah, usually when I fix the bug, it leaves my brain. Yes, I don't remember some of the things we fixed, but we fixed a lot this stream. So that's good. That is good. Yeah. Oh yeah, there's a bug with the like the velocity of the enemy projectiles slows down Actually, let me try and fix that right now. That's pretty quick, actually. I think it has to do with friction. Like there's air friction or something. Yeah, let's fix that. So on the player projectile, so like enemy rock category or so. Yeah, let's say this. Projectile dot friction is 0. I think that's what causes it to slow down. Yeah, I can actually put that down here because it's common among this entire switch. Yeah. Enemy, let's say projectile enemy dot rock. Enemy rock category. Yeah, this playlist gives me a lot of nostalgia. This music. Wowie. Okay. I think this is good. I think we're good. Yeah, so if I set the friction to false, hopefully I can't like outrun one of the rocks. Let's see. Let us test on the simulator and be sure. Yeah, so if they shoot a rock, I think now it won't like slow down. I think it should always go at the same velocity. Yeah. So, like, let's take this laser for example. Can we outrun the laser? No, see, it's going at the same velocity now. Oh no, wait, no, I think it did slow down. I think it did slow down a little bit, actually. So maybe, maybe it's not just the friction that's needing changed. Yeah, I'll have to see that. I don't want to accidentally, like, be able to outrun a projectile. Like, say this rock. Yeah, I think it eventually slows down. We still have a couple bugs. Let's list them out. Yeah, so let's see in our README. So, fix. Yeah, this is a delay, the cooldown. Fix the cooldown logic. And then what else do we have? We have enemy projectiles. Enemy, I'll say, well, enemy and possibly player projectiles slowing down after traveling far enough. Yeah, I feel like they're slowing down. Yeah, we have a couple bugs left. And we started on this one. We fixed a couple. Yeah, I think we did good. We fixed a lot. Yeah, I'm feeling good about it. Yeah, we're pretty close to finishing the thing, I think. Apart from a couple of bugs and some iPad support stuff we need. Game Center and sound. Yeah, but those Game Center and sound should take like one stream, actually. Like it shouldn't... I have reference code for it. Yeah. Yeah, I think this is good. I think we're good. Yeah. But yeah, I think I'll probably wrap it up there. I'll give a little outro for what's the plan coming up. Yeah, but we've got some good stuff going. We made some good progress. We found the bugs and we vacuumed them up, a couple of them. In fact, we even found some bugs this stream. Some bugs came into our purview, and we vacuumed up the new bugs. And we might have even discovered some additional ones, but we fixed some old ones. We vacuumed up some new ones. And we've still got a couple of them remaining and some strategies for tackling those. But yeah, we've done good. Yeah, so the next stream, as we do these on the Fridays and the Saturdays at 8 p.m. Pacific. So the next one will be Friday part 33 of building a Yippee mobile game. I think that one, depending on whether my account stuff is approved, will be related to Game Center integration in the leaderboard. So we'll do like log in with Game Center and save the player data in the Game Center stuff. That'll be cool. Perhaps we'll do some more vacuuming up of the bugs and some iPad stuff. Yeah, I think that'll be good. That'll be good. But that's the plan for the next stream. So that'll be good. But yeah, we'll be back on Friday at 8 p.m. Pacific. So I hope you enjoyed. Hope you have a nice rest of your weekend. I heard it's a long weekend for some, so let it be most enjoyable. I wish the best. But yeah, hope you enjoyed. And I don't know, should we raid into somebody? I don't know. I don't know. There's not really many people I know online, so maybe not. I don't really. I need to check about some more people, but yeah, I think we'll probably just call it then. But yeah, hope you take care. Thanks for joining, and we'll be back next Friday at 8 p.m. Pacific with part 33 of building a Yippee mobile game, and that will be good. We'll do the good things as we do. But yeah, take care. Hope you enjoyed, and we'll catch you on the flip side. Bye bye.